What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on that, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we're back at it tonight because the charts are actually looking phenomenal right now across the board. Everything is looking good. Even Bitcoin back above 101, 101,000. HBAR is trying to break through the 40 cent marker. And again, the most resilient crypto in on the market right now is XRP. This thing is climbing back above 331 right now, and things are just pressing forward. And I couldn't be more excited for where we're at right now. Really, the title of my video is just anyone that's out there that's listening to this or that's looking to get into crypto. I think the biggest thing that you could probably do here is just make sure that you must do this, and that is just do not be on the sidelines. I don't care what it is, just do not be on the sidelines for Inauguration Day. Being on the sidelines could probably be one of the worst decisions in the world right now, just because there's just so much going on. There's just too much coming here on Monday. We can already see it right now in the markets. I think that we're going to blow through history. I don't think that Bitcoin's going to have a red second week for January like we were predicting. I think a lot of things are just out here blowing up. The only thing is just caution. You never know. There could be a liquidation in the market over the weekend. A flash sell. But like I said, right now, HBAR is killing it. Let's actually pull up the screen right now. We're going live. You can see right here, it's back above. It's right here. It hit 40. It's trying to stay above the 40 marker right now. This is phenomenal. I'm so excited for HBAR and what they're able to accomplish. They are just absolutely killing it right now. If you go look at right here, they're breaking through the wall nicely. There's a giant wall right here. And you can see it's actually eating this wall up, which we were just joking about it in Discord about how anything's possible. And this is absolutely possible. And we're seeing it right now. We're seeing this 40 cent marker get up. It's getting rejected pretty hard, but I mean, it's fighting through it nicely. Again, XRP, it came down, hit the middle of this fair value gap right here, right in the middle of it, ate this thing up, and now we're back above 330. So yeah, things are looking pretty damn good right now across the board. As I said, look at Bitcoin back into the 102 range for Bitcoin. This is really, really good. And like I said, the worst thing you could probably do to yourself if you're in crypto is be on the sidelines. I'm not saying to go ape in. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying be methodical about it. We still have 3 days, actually Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, going into Monday. I'm just saying when Inauguration Day comes, it could be a pretty cool day. So I know I'm not on the sidelines. You guys know that. You guys a lot of you are here, ready to rock and roll. And it's just awesome to see the continual rise of the cryptocurrency market. I think we just topped 3.56. I actually think that this might be one of the larger market caps that we've had in crypto. 3.57 as of right now. So yeah, things are looking pretty damn good right now across the board. You can see XRP breaking that $190 billion market cap, almost a 200 billion market cap, which is half of ETH. So it's coming for ETH, man. XRP is coming for the ETH. It's coming for second place, and maybe potentially even taking out first place. So with all that, what's up, everyone? We got Chris in here. We got Johnny. Good to see you guys. Milton. Graham, what's going on, dude? Hunter. Jake. Double D. I'm going to scroll faster here. Lag. Queef. Good to see you guys. Trav's in the house here. Dave, good to see. Good to see you, man. Paradise Gardens. Yeah, it's going crazy. Jason, thanks so much for joining thanks so much for joining the channel. You're officially now a member of the A team. Welcome, man. Thank you so much for joining. Let's all crush the likes for appreciate you, man. Yeah, definitely hit that like button for me. It doesn't cost any money. You can just hit that like, helps push it up in the algorithm. So yeah, really appreciate that a ton. Yeah, hit the like buttons for me, guys. I don't ask a lot, except maybe that. Anyone know anything about XTN? No, I do not at this moment. But yeah, so let's go back to HBAR here. We're starting to see a little bit of some rejection again. This is going to be a hard wall to get through here. We know that there was a big set. Look at the buy wall now, though. Look at the buy wall. Buy wall's coming in hot. You can see right here the buy wall has now flipped, and we have a big buy wall coming in here at 3.9. Maybe we'll overtake it now. We'll have to sort of see how this works, but maybe we're going to eat up that up into the 40 cent mark and bring it up to a new. This is actually, we just broke through and created a new. This is the breakout now. Like I told you guys, once we get above this other level over here,
The other level was sitting around 39.3. We have now surpassed that, and here we are. We have broke out officially. We'll see if we can actually continue to break out of this. So really, really good to see. Seiko, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Tony Punch. You watch HBAR outperform XRP. I mean, it's killing it right now. Look at the volume coming in. We were just, I can't remember who said, was that you, Trav? Or I think it was Trav that might have said it. He was saying, look at XRP's is sitting here at 23 billion, almost 24 billion in 24-hour trade volume. You go down here to Hedera, dude. Hedera's at 2 billion trade volume. You're up here with like Cardano. I mean, it's way past that. I mean, it's almost a billion past that of it's definitely like way past, almost 1.7 billion past Chainlink, and it's definitely past Stellar and everything else. So yeah, the volume on this thing is phenomenal right now. Absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, what's up, Rico Exchange? Good to see you. 3 lives in one day. Yeah, I did not mean to do that. Did not mean to do that. I probably won't be on here all night because I told people that I would go over and do a stream for them in Discord for a few things. So yeah, we'll definitely be jumping over there. Expecting that dip to fill my bags. Yeah, I think we're all anticipating a dip, and hey man, that dip may never come, dude. That dip may never come. That might be in the rearview mirror. So we'll have to continue to monitor through the weekend. We still got, like I said, we know that Monday's a pretty big catalyst, but we'll have to sort of wait and see how this plays out, man. Like I said, just be happy and thankful that we're in a long-term bags and we're just ready. We're packed and ready to rock and roll. So expecting that dip it would be nice. Yeah. Graham, yeah, what's up? What's up, Graham? Good to see you. Alexi, good to see you. Hello, XRP fam. What's up, Psycho Claw? Good to see everyone in here, man. Everyone's killing it. Big watch, dude. Tim Shea, Mayor Crypto's in the house. Austin, I'm loving all the lives lately. Yeah, Tommy, I've been going hard on the lives, dude. I should probably put out more content, with videos and stuff like that to maybe explain things better. But lives seem to be where a lot of people have fun. So we're all going to be rich, even newcomers. Yeah, we're top 5% right now, man. My HBAR is on fire. HBAR is on another level right now. I will admit, dude, HBAR is on another level. It does have a fair value gap showing here on the 4-hour. As you guys know, the 12-hour just kicked over. So we just started, we'll start a new 4-hour here at 1600. So we just started a new, we should be starting a new one here. 16. Yeah, so maybe is this the new candle that just started? That can't be the new candle that just started, is it? Damn. All right. 4:16. Yeah, gosh dang. 4 a.m. 16. Yeah, kind of crazy. That is kind of crazy right there. So yeah, it's looking good right there. We got another 4. Like I said, the 4-hour is starting here on the 16 as well. So again, the 4-hour candle is looking pretty hot right now. The hours coming in here looking pretty good. Yeah, that's looking good. You got a nice little fair value gap right here for that of HBAR. A couple of them on the 1-hour. The 4-hour, you're starting to see a fair value gap if it does peel back. So it's busting through. It's sitting here at the 3986 right now. So let's see if I can catch up to the chat here. Thanks for HBAR chat and Discord. Yeah, no, it was good. The HBAR chat and Discord has been nice, dude. The whole chat in Discord has been great. XRP is fighting this level, this fair value gap, which is 330 to about roughly 320. You could see they've been fighting this one. So good volume right here. There's actually a pretty good amount of volume at the top right here. So that's kind of nice to see that people are actually, a lot of people are jumping into XRP right now. So let me get my head out of the way here. There we go. Make that a little bigger. Yeah, hit that like button. Appreciate you. Still buying HBAR and XRP. Wish I had more capital for Link and Algo. Yeah, Link's been tearing it up too, guys. Link almost a 24. Link has been, this is such a great purchase down here. I again, anyone that bought down here, this is such a great purchase. Almost 33% up in literally like 2.5 days at the most. So yeah, really good purchase down there. Really good. Someone brought it up on stream and said, hey, have you looked at Link? And I didn't, and I was like, holy crap. So I jumped into that. Let's see here. BTC chart looking like a vampire skull. Yeah, it's looking good. Dude, we're coming back up right now, hitting it nicely up here. We'll see if we can keep above this 102. Seems like when we get to 102, we were rejected last time. 102.6. 102 seems to be a level that we have a hard time getting over. We've only been over at 1 time, 2 times, and then we seem to fall down. 1, 2, 3. This will be the 4th time that we tried to get above this. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see if we can bust through it or if we get rejected again. Again, trying to create a new high to create another low would be nice. Top down footage. Yeah, it is. Dude, you guys are chatting it up. Oh my gosh. Killa coming in hot with the 50 memberships. Wow, dude. Killa Whale, dude. Thank you so much for the 50 gifted memberships. Wow. If Killa gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Killa Whale. And welcome to the A team. Those 50 new members. That is incredible, dude. Thank you so much for that. Wow. Wow, I'm humbled by that. 50 new members coming in hot, dude. Make sure you guys get into that Discord if you can. If you are a new member, that is fantastic, dude. What's up, my ultra journey in line, in and out right now? You're grinding today. I am, dude. I am my ultra journey. I am grinding today, man. And yeah, if you got gifted a membership, please say thank you to Killer Well, dude. That is super gracious of you to gift the A team here. And as always, the A team is the probably the kindest, nicest team in all of crypto, man, with the amount of gifts that they give to all the members and all the love and support too. And again, Killer Will, thank you so much, man. I appreciate you a ton, dude. Correct distortion. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. At what price does FOMO begin to kick in? I don't know about price. I think it's action. So inauguration day is right around the corner. And I don't think people want to be on the sidelines. And so when I say you must do this, I just don't want anyone that's watching this just realize that we have the most pro-crypto president coming in here. All his remarks have always said, I mean, U.S. President-elect Trump to designate cryptocurrency as a national priority. I mean, like, this isn't more, I don't know how to say this isn't, if this isn't clear enough, like, I don't know what else to say. Like, he's going to make it a national priority. He's going to make it a Bitcoin reserve. He's going to do everything possible to make sure that the people that are in crypto do really, really well. And so I guess I just don't want any of the A-teamers on the sideline. I'm not saying to go dive in today head first. I'm just saying continue to build a bag up until Monday and into this year. Q1s are always good for crypto. Just shouldn't be on the sidelines. Find a way, do something. I don't know. Again, everyone's in their own situations here. Just do not be on the sidelines when it comes to Monday. That's all I ask. And again, I don't know what it's going to do. It could take an absolute shit on Monday. I have no idea. But I just don't want people to be on the sidelines if it were to actually do something really, really well, because I'm not going to be on the sidelines. So, again, and if it takes a shit, it takes a shit. You know what I mean? I don't know. I hope it doesn't. We all hope it doesn't. Come on. But again, we don't know what to expect. I don't know what's going to happen. I just think that people should, if you're in crypto, get your feet wet a little bit. Yeah, Kilowatt, thanks so much, man. Solo, thanks so much for the $5, dude. We're looking to get people watching from 30K feet again. Heck yeah, man. Are you up in the plane again, man? You flying? Damn, bro. Appreciate that $5, man. You always be flying everywhere, dude. How do I get the volume bars on the right? It's just your volume. So you can just go up to your indicators right here, type in visible range, volume profile, and you'll be good to go, Meldis. You'll be good to go. But I don't know how clear this could be. I mean, this is probably the most clear statement by any president to ever step foot in office in regards to how he feels about crypto. Rebecca, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Thank you, Austin, Uncle Trump, and B-Rad G. Heck yeah. Thank you so much for the $2, Rebecca. And yeah, we're in for one right now. I think this is fantastic news. I think this is a lot of why the charts are pumping right now. It's just stuff like this is why this is super cool to see. It says President-elect plans to make cryptocurrency a national policy upon his inauguration, according to Bloomberg Report. The incoming administration also plans on creating a crypto advisory council, giving the industry insider a voice within the administration. The incoming president has a strong support on its crypto industry since his campaign. Among these issues include debanking and the repeal of the controversial crypto accounting policy requiring banks holding digital assets to count them as liabilities on the bank. So he's going to switch that over because, again, if we can get banks to where they can hold this on there and it doesn't count as a liability, dude, it's going to be on like Donkey Kong, man. There's going to be so much money flowing in. You won't even know we won't even know what to do with it. So again, prioritize your, just set aside, make it a priority. Make it a priority. That's all I got to say. Make crypto a priority in your life. Find a way to make crypto a priority in your life, please. At least for this year. Dude, Trav, dude. Wow, dude. Trav, dude, thank you so much for the $50 membership. or $50, 50 person, 50 gifted 50 members. I don't know how to say it. Gosh. If Trav gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Trav. That's 50 memberships. Holy crap. We just got 100 memberships in literally, what is that, like 5 minutes? That's crazy, dude. Trav, thank you guys so much. You and Killa just dropping in these gifted memberships, man. And so if you are new to the A team, please say thank you to Trav. Welcome, and make sure you join that Discord. I don't know who gifted the membership, but thank you. Yeah, that's awesome, Fluffy. That is awesome, dude. The A team strong, man. Seriously, crazy. Sorry, I was out and had a celebrity bourbon. Any thoughts on BTC? But BTC is looking good. Like I said, the only thing that's holding BTC back is we keep seem to get rejected at this level right here at 102. We've come up, we've been rejected one time before. We got rejected over here, busted through it, came down. Now we hit this 102, 102.5, what is it? 102.732. So we'll see if we can bust through this. Again, even HBAR is having a hard time busting through the 40 cent marker. And XRP back above 31 now. So you can see we're starting to build back up here. But it's definitely filled this fair value gap. So if anyone actually came in and dove into this fair value gap, you're actually up just a tad bit right now. Probably roughly anywhere from 2% to, if you got in over here, up to basically almost 5%. So yeah, looking pretty good right there. Matthew, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Is it too late to get in on HBAR? I mean, I think HBAR has a lot of growth still, and you got to think this was just the other day. We were trading sideways forever on this thing, and we were just at 30 cents right here, which has grown. I mean, this is roughly what, 23%. I think there's still a lot of room with HBAR. I'm gonna be honest with you. We just started the breakout. Will there be a pullback? I don't know. It's right now the charts are going crazy. There's the numbers aren't even adding up because there's just so much FOMO coming in. A lot of retail investors are coming in. The charts aren't even making sense anymore. Last time on the 4 hour that we had a double up like this, we did have a down. We did come down in the 4 hour, but with inauguration around the corner, it's too hard to say, dude. I think a lot of people are just coming in and buying. They're accumulating their bag, dude. That's really what it comes down to. So people are buying the tops, they're buying the middles. People are just buying, dude. It's quite crazy right now. What's going on and everything's exploding, right, Anthony? Everything is exploding. I wonder if XRP will get to $10 in a couple days. $10 would be crazy if we got $10. It would be insane if we got to $10. But if we got $10, I'd put about a $500 billion market cap, which would probably knock it right over that of XRP or Ethereum, which would be pretty damn cool. A few new floors will form on the crypto as well. Yeah, I agree, Sam. I agree. Timsky, 50 new nerds. Killa is now the sponsor of the stream. So is Trav. Trav too. Coop, thanks so much for the 279. Can you take a look at Crow? We could take a look at Crow for you. Who's buying Crow? Anyone buying Crow? Anyone in here buying Crow, dude? Anyone buying Crow? Yeah, Crow's up slightly. Crow's a slow mover now, dude. I'll admit, Crow is really a slow mover. I got out of Crow last bull run just because it just didn't move a whole lot. So yeah, Crow's a little bit down there, bro. And again, thank you so much for the donation. You can see it's down pretty good right now. Had a nice little breakout in November. It's come down. It's down pretty good right now. Let's see. Down roughly about 37%. Gosh, yeah, but you can see it's definitely top heavy with volume up here. So it could break back out and get back up here. So hopefully it does, because I know that probably stranded a lot of people up top. So, but yeah, thanks again for the donation. Yeah, Bitcoin trying to get that above that 1-2 level, dude. Right here, trying to get above that 102 level. Let's actually move that. I want to move this up. We broke through that 101. Let's move it up to the 102. See if we can break that next level. See if there's a nice resistance in there. I'm a member, but can't get into Discord. Yeah, you got to connect your Discord, man. You got to connect it to your YouTube. Make sure it's the right YouTube account, man. Some in and out sound good as heck right now. I wish I had one in here in Nashville. Oh, dude, an In-N-Out burger. Oh, dude, I know. Not financial advice, but dump your life savings and walk to work next 2 months. That's actually pretty funny. I like that. I joined the A team, but I'm double A. Dranos, what's up, buddy? Off topic. If anyone plays Fortnite, look me up. All right. I'm so far behind on the chat right now, guys. Holy crap. I'm going to start scrolling down. CJ Jared, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Hopefully you're aware that you have helped us all make a ton of money. We appreciate you, dude. Oh, dude, CJ, thank you so much, man. I'm just happy that we're making, I mean, I just want everyone to win, man. And this is a perfect opportunity. The bull run, right at the beginning of the bull run, everyone jumping in. This is the time where money is made. If you're on the sidelines, you've lost. And I just hope that you find a way to get your feet wet if you're new to crypto. This could be some life-changing stuff. It always has been. It's changed my life. Crypto's changed my life big time, and I know it can change a lot of other people's lives. And I think it's honestly this is the biggest wealth transfer in the history of in my lifetime. And there'll never be a bigger wealth transfer ever in the history of America like this again. I don't think so. This is too much. I think a lot of us are using crypto as a way to hedge our retirements, everything. If you're not in this, man, I don't know what else to say. There's nothing else I can say to anyone. You know what I mean? And I'm just happy that you guys are winning, that we're all winning. The whole A team's winning, dude. That's what it's about. So thank you very much, man, for the donation and the kind words. I'm all in because it takes a shit. We will catapult mega army right here. All right, ask Angie. Austin's definitely helped me with my bag. That's awesome, dude. Melodus coming in hot with 50. Gosh dang, 50 members. Holy crap. Melodus coming in another 50 members. If Melodus gifted you a membership, please say thank you. That is fantastic. Wow, dude. We got 50 new members. If they gifted you, please say thank you. That is incredible. Holy crap. You guys are gifting up a major amount. This is like that one stream where we're just like gifting after gifting after gifting, which is insane. And thank you guys very, very much. We're growing the A team every day, man. And it's people like you that keep, adding people to the A team, man, and I couldn't be more appreciative of that. So thank you very much. And if you got gifted by Melodus, please say thank you and welcome to the A team. XRP is moving nicely, yeah. Guadalupe, thank you so much for the $5 super sticker, man. Appreciate the donation to the channel. Just a Killa Well coming in hot with another 10 gifted memberships. Damn, Killa's killing it. Make sure you say thank you to Killa Well if you gifted you a membership there, and thank you, man, for that. I do appreciate that. And the new 10 new members, welcome to the A team. HBAR sitting here about 3 almost, dude, we're still trying to break it. 39983. It's bouncing around pretty hard. Let's go back to the depth chart on this. Depth chart's looking pretty good, man. It ate that wall up so fast. Holy crap, dude. We don't really have a lot of room. I mean, the next wall right here, next big wall is like 45 cents. Holy crap, loving this, dude. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Cooper, thanks so much, man. You're 1 month in as a member, dude. Austin, can you take a look at Crow? Yeah, I just did there for you, man. Yeah, thank you so much for being a member for 1 month, dude. That's fantastic, bro. Chameleon coming in hot with 10 memberships, dude. Memberships are raining in today, dude. So anyone coming new to the A team right now, you have struck gold with potentially getting a membership. And again, these memberships, if you get a membership gifted to you, you can get into my Discord. So yeah, please jump over to Discord if you have a membership. And Chameleon, thanks so much for the gifted membership. I do appreciate that. And say thank you to Chameleon if you did get gifted membership, because that is freaking awesome, dude. Thank you so much, man. You guys are awesome. Trav, dude. Trav coming now in hot with another 20 gifted memberships. Gosh dang, guys. Gosh dang, you guys are killing it. Trav, thank you so much for the 20 gifted memberships. And if Trav gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Trav. And welcome to the A team, the 20 new members. Again, make sure you guys get in that Discord if you can. And you guys are a blessing. Gosh dang, this is crazy. Love you guys, man. Chameleon coming in with another 10. You guys. Oh, you guys are crazy, dude. You guys are crazy, dude. Man, thank you so much, Chameleon, for the 10 gifted memberships. Wow. I'm speechless right now. You guys are crazy, dude. Yeah, if Chameleon gifted you 10 memberships, please say thank you to Chameleon. And yeah, you guys are incredible. And welcome 10 new members to the A team. Again, make sure you guys get in that Discord for me, please. And yeah, you guys are incredible. Stop with the spam. Seiko, you funny, man. 318 next buy. You talking about for XRP or for XRP? 330. I mean, it's climbing right now. It's climbing back out. It's getting back out. It came back down, hit this fair value gap at 321. 318 came down here right south of this fair value gap, and then now it's back up to 331. So XRP is showing really some some really strong, resilient volume right now. It's pretty damn crazy. Brandon, dude, thanks so much for the $2, dude. A-team strong. Heck yeah, man. Appreciate you, dude. Thank you so much for the $2. The A-team is strong, man. We got a lot of great people in the A-team. I'm gonna be honest with you. Killing it. XRP and HBAR are long holds. Hell yeah, dude. Long-term holds for me, man. Without question. Not even a question about that. Membership, please. A-team strong. Heck yeah, Tim. What was the last time to get Bitcoin under 100K, or do we go back to 89? I think, I mean, it was under 100K today. We got back down here at 90 back on Monday, January 13th. So literally 3 days ago, we were all the way down at 89 right here, right? So this is pretty crazy to think that now we're back above 101. So yeah, pretty crazy stuff. XCN, do I even have XCN on here? I have XDC. I don't even know if I know what I don't know which one that is. GT, XCN. What is XCN? I got to look up XCN. I don't know what XCN is. Oh, Altcoin. I don't know anything about that, dude. It's killing it though today. Gosh dang, dude. Up 71% on the day. Gosh damn. He's talking about this one right here. It's ranked 351. So I usually wouldn't even look at something like this. But since you asked, 100% in 7 days. 1 day it's up 71%. I have no idea what this thing is, but there you go, bud. Ranked 351. Wow, way outside my realm of comfort. But you know, people like that kind of stuff. So there you go. Yeah, Crow's slow. Crow is definitely a slow one. That's for sure. Oh, dude, awesome. You've been here for 1 month, man. Can you show ADA again? Yeah, we can show ADA again, dude. I don't even know where the hell my ADA is at. Where's my ADA? ADA, right there. Still looking strong, man. Doing like a lot of what all the other ones are doing right now. You know, came down. It's filled this fair value gap right here at 108, and it's come back out of it. So yeah, ADA looking pretty good. Looking like a W. Boom, boom. I love it. I love it, dude. It's looking good. I don't. Yeah, the Crow credit card. I know. I'm going back for a Hail Mary with the Luna Classic. Yeah, check out Bitcoin XRP chart. Yeah, we could look at this together. We can look at both of these, and then we can add Bitcoin on top of it. There's Bitcoin matched with XRP. It's kind of crazy, right? When this all dipped down here, XRP just said, hold my beer, and just continued to climb out. So yeah, looking pretty good. Yeah, this kind of followed Bitcoin in a way, but yeah, the breakout's real, man. We're trying to get above this level, but oops, it's not what I wanted. Let's go back to here. Let's take this off. Let's see here. Waiting until ETF money comes in, dude. We're gonna have a lot of ETF money coming in for sure. I watched crypto for a long time. About a month ago, I started about $5, $10 at a time. 400, and now have $100 of free money. Hell yeah, Jonathan, dude. That's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, man. Nothing like some free money. Stop asking if you should buy XRP. You got to be blind not to see what's coming. Pablo, what's up, bud? Andrew Lee, what's up, man? $2. Thank you so much for the donation. Have you had a chance to look at Velo? I have not. I don't even know what is Velo. Is Velo? I think I've heard of Velo, but I have no idea what it is, bro. I have not taken time. My time has been in so many other things. Honestly, I'll have to do some research on it, but I do appreciate the $2. Let's see here. Just have debt pay would be really nice. I'm with you, dude. Just have like the house paid off, the cars paid off, you know, all that stuff. If you had 10K set aside, how would you spread it? I'd probably just find a crypto that I like and put 10K on it. That's probably what I would do. Come be rich with us. This A-team has been life-changing for me in the time I've been here. Oh, Trav, dude, I appreciate that, man. You guys have been holding it down too. You guys are big supports of the A-team. I appreciate that a ton. Definitely using crypto to hedge retirement. Hell yeah, dude. That's the way to do it, man. Yeah. I used to be a professional ballet dancer. You're funny, Big A. There's still time. Flying high. Buy XRP all you can. I mean, it's it'll be interesting to see what Monday does. I'm super excited for Monday. I don't know why. SOF, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Thanks for the gifted sub. That's awesome. Do you even have enough room in the chat for any more people? Yeah, we got a lot of people coming in here. We got GS. Thanks so much for the 8-month of memberships, dude. Don't know. Pump it up. Gotta pump it up. Oh yeah, that song. You gotta pump it up. I think of Legal when that happens. Legal always. I remember him always playing that song. So yeah, pump it up. Killowell, thanks so much for the $10. Dang, dude. HBAR is next. XRP is now. Let's effing go. Heck yeah, bro. Appreciate your $10, Killowell. Killing it with the donations tonight. Gosh, dang. And yeah, we're HBAR is right there, man. I mean, it's a perfect storm for HBAR, I think. Hedera is going to do very well in this bull run. It's already doing really well right now. A lot of us are up pretty good. You know, I do see Hedera getting to that $2 range, which would be fantastic. So yeah, I can't wait, man. I think I'm going to buy more XRP tonight. Yeah, I'm going to have to, you know, again, I'm being my little risk adverse self. I have my orders in down here still. But yeah, I'm going to try to find a good entry. We'll see what happens before Monday comes, dude. I generally love this team. I do too, Jesse. I appreciate you guys. The Trump train. What's the speculation here? I think there's a lot of speculation, dude. It's so hard. These charts are so hard. I mean, because they've just been, at least XRP has been really hard to evaluate. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's been a really hard chart to evaluate since we had this massive volume coming in. Yeah, it's been a hard chart to evaluate. I'll be honest with you. Indicators are all mixed matched. They're not even aligned like they were. So yeah, that's what happens, man. You know, you got an anomaly here. This is kind of an anomaly. It's went against the whole market for 7 days. So I mean, this is what you could expect. You know, you're either on the train or off. It's going to be there. Thanks, A-Team. Cheers. Super calm. A-Team all the way. Hell yeah, Toolbox. Appreciate you, man. You had 10K set aside. Yeah, I already said what I would do with that. What's up, Trevor? Good to see you, man. It's a membership battle. I feel like I'm so far behind on the chat right now. I'm 10 minutes behind on the chat. Oh, Alicia, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and welcome. I'm going to try to scroll down. If I miss your comments, I'm going to try to catch up to the chat here. Paramount, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Do you think HBAR will go back under 36 cents? It very well, I mean, yeah, if we have a little bit of a sell-off here at some point, I mean, yeah, it very well could. You know, it very well could. There's nothing saying that it couldn't get back under 0.36 cents or 36 cents. Yeah, you know, I mean, that's what we could do. We could look at this right now. You know, we'll probably have to adjust this now that this broke out. We created a new high, so I'll probably have to adjust this. You know, we could probably move it around now and try to find new entry points. You go to the previous low. We can even probably go here now. I mean, this is where this is like our new area. You have our high, our low in the cycle right now, which is right here with the high, and now you're judging based off this. And so, you know, we could probably even start shuffling around that, which is kind of crazy to think that we've gone that crazy in the matter. But I mean, I don't like pushing it this much, but hey, dude, it's already gone pretty crazy. It's gone so flat that like there's no real new low and a high. So now you have to come over here and start this whole new thing. So the retracements now are back over here at the 30. I mean, right here in the golden pockets, 30 cents. Now you're anywhere between 34 cents and 31 cents is right in the green area for the Fibonacci, and we have a nice little fair value gap up here. So we are in sell territory technically based off Fibonacci. The 4 hours looking like we are coming down. We are looking like we are a little oversold or over purchased here. The 12 hour is also looking the same here. We're looking like over here, and the 12 hour tells us a little bit more. We got a nice fair value gap right here at the 29 marker still, which again is pretty damn low. That would put us down roughly, if we were to fall, that would put us roughly at 24%. So again, you know, if there was a liquidation in the market before Monday, you know, could it come down to there? Maybe, you know, again, I don't know if some people are expecting there to be a liquidation in the market. Others are not even thinking about it. So, but you can see right here, we have a nice little fair value gap here at 32, 33. The good thing about this though, is that regardless of what happens, if we were to say we sell off this weekend, say starting tomorrow, we have this big crazy sell off into Saturday, and then Sunday turns around. We saw where HBAR can go. We saw where it can go. We know that it can get back up here to 39. We saw it over here. So we were buying this up. Anyone was buying this up in anticipation that this breakout would happen. Even though it took 2 months to get there, we had this breakout. So even if this comes down to some level, we know that we could get back up here. So like the confidence that people are going to have to be able to buy these areas now are a lot higher than they were literally 2 days ago, 3 days ago. When this was down here, people were still going, oh, it's down 26. Now we'll bounce around up here. The confidence to buy back into these things are huge. Just like the confidence right now to buy into XRP. Look at the confidence that this actually created here on XRP. I mean, technically, this needs to be over here. Like the confidence that we now broke up here, people know now, like this is the real deal. So like we broke past these levels and it's on to the next. We had a massive flag. Look at this thing, dude. We had the flag. We talked about this. There was the bull flag right here. We broke out. That was a perfect example of breaking out of a bull flag right there. We had a massive breakout. So yeah, HBAR can do the same thing here, right? HBAR could have this breakout, come back down, boom, up again. So we'll have to sort of keep monitoring it. This is looking pretty good though. Looking really good. Then thanks again, Paramount, for the $2. Philip, thanks so much for the $2 super sticker, man. Really appreciate that a ton. Thanks so much for the donation. Buddy gifted 5 memberships to the A team. If Buddy gifted your membership, please say thank you to Buddy. And all those new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate you guys all being here. And welcome. Brandon coming in hot with another 5 gifted memberships. If Brandon gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Brandon. And yeah, welcome to the A team, guys. Thank you very, very much for all your donations. Linda, you crazy, bro. Jeffrey, what's going on? Austin, you deserve, buddy. You are a genuine soul, and I appreciate you, Dan. You guys are all great too, man. Honestly, I never expected in a month to be able to grow as big as we've grown as the A team. I'm gonna be honest, dude. We've actually, with a lot of people and support here, it's been kind of crazy. And like I said, it's been humbling and it's been super great, dude. And I couldn't be more appreciative. I know I say it a ton. I probably a broken record with it, but it's true, dude. And we're 7 subscribers away from 79,000 subscribers on YouTube, dude. Almost 79,000 subscribers on YouTube. Wow, I never thought that would come either. So right there on the verge of hitting, dude, that's crazy. Hitting 80,000 or 79,000 subscribers. So if you're here new in the chat and you haven't subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you guys being here. Celery City Breaks, thanks so much for the $5, dude. First time a friend told me to buy XRP. I'm a father of 3 kids under 10 and behind on retirement. I know nothing about crypto. Where do I start? I think you just start with getting your feet wet, Celery. If you're new, I think you just find a cryptos that work for you. Find a community that continually talks about crypto and supports you and will be there for you and answer your questions. That's where you start, dude. And you find the cryptos that you that excite you, and you just stick to it, dude. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. That's kind of the best advice I get you. Start accumulating a bag. If you have to buy the tops and endure some of the dips, endure it. You know what I mean? But just hold it and continue to build and over time those things will be good. Buy the top cryptos. Don't be buying these crazy off the wall cryptos. Buy well-established cryptos, because I think those are the ones that are going to do very, very well here, especially under a Trump administration. The top 20 cryptos are going to do very, very well. Decentralized cryptos are going to do very, very well. So that's the best advice I can probably give you, man. And so thanks so much for the $5, and I appreciate you being here. Dude, it's so crazy. I'm still I'm 15 minutes behind. Killer Will, thanks so much for the $10 donation, man. You killing it today, dude. If you need help with Discord, hit me or Trav or Intrigue. We'll get you in the right room. Oh, I'm sure you will. I'm sure you'll get them in the right room. Too funny, man. Appreciate the $10, bro. And yeah, Discord's great, dude. So yeah, appreciate you guys. John Walker, 350 tonight. 350 would be crazy. Yeah. I mean, we're busting back up to 333 right now. We're starting to come back up, right? We hit this 339, 340, and now we're back to 333. HBAR has come down a little bit since we started the stream. It's coming back down to 392. We're almost to 40, almost over that 40-cent marker, which is nice. And Bitcoin's starting to come back down slightly after hitting 102. We're back above, back down to 101. So definitely hit some resistance here at this 102 level. Bounce back down. Join Discord. Listen to Austin. Lots to learn quickly with the A team. Appreciate you, Trav. Tad Sanders, thanks so much for the $2, bro. Thank you so much for donating to the channel. Appreciate that, Tad. JJ, thanks so much for the $2, dude. A friend put me on XCN. What do you know about it? Well, I just know that Altcoin, I think is what it is. I don't know anything about it, man. It is it's out there ranked, what was it, in the 400 range, 300 range. So it looks like it's doing good. I don't know anything about it though, but if people want to look at it, definitely take a look at it. Again, the further you get out there, the little bit riskier it becomes, but nothing against it. I just don't know a lot about it, bro. And again, thanks so much for the $2, man. Doge, hey bro, can Doge 3x on January 20th? Doge can do very well, dude. We already saw. I mean, Doge was a huge bag of mine. I bought Doge back in the day at like 2 cents, 1 cent, and 2 cents, and 5 cents. I remember buying those on Robinhood. 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents for Doge. I rode that thing all the way up to like $90,000, dude. $90,000, and I was like, oh crap! And fans like, you got to sell, and nope, I rode all the way back down to 35 cents, and I sold. So actually, it's at where I sold back in 2022, 2021, 2022, or whatever Saturday Night Live was. So it's literally back where I sold. But yeah, I think Doge will do good. I mean, it's definitely held its own, man, and the volume on it's insane right now. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. You got one, Luke, David. Let's go. Hey, team. Yeah, I'm so far behind on the chat, guys. You guys are. I'm at 6:42. It's almost 6. I'm like 15 minutes behind the chat. Just trying to scroll through. So again, Zan, what is that? Zane. I don't know how to say that. Zan. XRP and AMP are similar, right? Any thoughts on AMP? No, I don't think they're not similar at all. I think AMP is more for. I think it's automatic. Tell you the truth, I don't really know a ton about AMP anymore. I literally spaced it. I owned it back in the day, but I really don't know anything about AMP, to be honest with you. I think it's something to do with like market makers and stuff like that. But yeah, that's all I know. XRP coming back up, man. XRP coming back up. Here we go. Oops. Dude, XRP is so resilient, guys. It's insane. It is insane how resilient this is. We see this right here, right? We have a green candle, one red. We have green, one red. Now we have green again. So yeah, I mean, 350 is probably right in the making right now. Tad Sanders, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Would you buy on Ledger Live or stick to exchanges and move it? I stick to exchange and move it over because again, if I buy on the exchange, I don't pay any fees. I pay 0 fees for buying on exchanges. And then I would just transfer it over and just pay the little gas fee that it takes to get over there. So that's why I have Coinbase. I mean, so I take advantage of that. Plus, if I buy on a spot trade, I get rewards back and stuff like that, and I lower my spot trading fees. So yeah, it just makes sense to do it on the exchanges and move it over because you get bonus points basically. So. Does anyone else know how to enable gifts? I do not know how to do that. Do you have any TA books you like? No, GT, I don't really. I mean, the only people that I've only watched a few. Like I said, there's a few people out there. Trading View is your best place, dude. It's free. You could look it up. I mean, Trading View is solid. Just like type in, Fibonacci chart Trading View, and you're going to get all the stuff on Fibonacci's. It's pretty badass. Trav Shell, thanks so much for the $10, dude. Gosh, you guys are killing it. Make sure to link your YouTube to Discord to join, read the rules, click the emojis to open channels. Lots to learn from the Active A team. Dude, I appreciate you, Trav. And that is true. You got to link your YouTube to Discord, read the rules. There's a little checkbox at the bottom. Click that checkbox. Then you're going to go down and click on where it says, what does it say? Channels? I can't remember what it says. Maybe it says it says choose, and you'll click on choose, and you'll click and you'll be able to click the emojis for the different rooms. So yeah, Trav, thanks so much for the $10, bro, and thanks for helping people. Dane, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. I appreciate that a ton. Thank you very, very much for that. And just want to let everyone know that we actually just got over 79,034 subscribers to the channel. Thank you guys so much. 79,000 subscribers on YouTube is phenomenal. Never thought that would ever happen. So thank you guys for all your support. 79,000 subscribers. Holy crap. Thank you guys very much. I would spread it on the floor and roll around in it. You must be talking about cash. Austin just got home. What's a very conservative buy on XRP for a spot trade tomorrow morning? You know, it's right now. It's so hard. Like I said, this thing is going crazy. The buy today is obviously here at 323. That seemed to be right here in the middle, which we talked about this morning. Splitting this fair value gap at 323, 324, I think is what we talked about early. If this were to come back down, you know, you're still talking in this fair value gap. But the next one is around 315. I think some people said they had 315 in there. You know, I'm still down here. You know, my buys, I'm still left my buy at the 325. People can laugh at me. I know it's pretty funny, but I'll probably move that today. Tonight, I'll probably move it up here into the 350, the 250 range, and I'll probably slowly move it up here if this keeps going up, so that if there is a pullback, there probably will be a good pullback on this because it has gone pretty crazy. So we'll have at some point we'll have some pullback. I don't know where it's going to be, but I'll be there for the pullback. I'll tell you that. I'll be there for the pullback. I think a lot of us will, and we'll buy in and we'll ride it right back up again probably. Do you guys think we'll wake up? Yes, I think we'll wake up. DQ, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much for that, dude. And welcome. Let's see here on the Forex Exchange XRP live stream. They're dumping a lot right now, trying to hold it down. Oh, really? Damn. Is that actually a real channel? Dangerous Dave, what's going on, man? You been golfing, dude? Ondo is a good investment. I mean, after Saturday, I wouldn't touch it until after Saturday. I mean, it's doing okay now. It's trying to come back around slightly, but I mean, Ondo has taken a pretty big hit because they have some sellout. They have token allocations coming out tomorrow. No, on Saturday, on the 18th. So this will be interesting to see where Ondo goes. Last time there was a token allocation was Arbitrum, and they came out and they gifted. They came out and they dropped a bunch of them, and they literally went half. They went 50% down on their price. They were at $2, and after they allocated it in a matter of a month, they were down to $1. But they built back up. Like they came back up strong. I'm not saying that I don't want to create fear for anyone here. That's just my experience, so I'm not going to jump in. What is Oscar always saying? Will this be the last bull run? No, it's not gonna be the last bull run. We'll have bull runs. Bull runs are what created America, dude. You know, it's what created America. We'll always have bull runs. Please don't sing that, Austin, because Austin has ruined that song for me. Oh, the Pump It Up song? I'm so far behind on the chat. Is it the Pump It Up song? Oh, okay. James Dula, thanks so much for the $2. This was all my profits today. I found more. Appreciate you, James, dude, for your $2 gift, man. As always. As always, dude. I'm so far behind, guys. Murdoch, thanks so much for gifting 20 memberships to the A team. We got 20 more members in the house here. Thank you guys so much for your gifted memberships here. And Murdoch, if he gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Murdoch and welcome to the A team, the 20 new members. You guys are freaking awesome. A team is the best team. Crypto ball tomorrow. Ooh. Life drained my 401k with my premature first daughter. I was 401k rich in 2014. Now crypto will give me that opportunity to change not only my retirement, but my family's freedom. Sammy, dude, keep preaching, bro. I'm with you, man. I think there's a big opportunity to make some really good money in crypto. It's changed my life, and I think it could change a lot of people's lives. So, and Sammy, you keep doing what you're doing. It's going to change your life too, man. I need more crypto. Me too, Chameleon. I need more crypto too, dude. Retail hasn't even come in yet. We're 5% in, man. 5% in. We're good to go, man. I broke. I can't give you. You're good, Alexi. Oh, my God. Thank you. That's awesome. All the gifts. Jason, XRP, XCN, XLM, HBAR. Cheers. Let's effing go. Heck yeah, Jason. Heck yeah, dude. XRP, XLM, HBAR. Cheers. Let's go. And your XCN in there. I think that's that Ondo or that Onx coin or something like that. So, yeah. HBAR is coming down just slightly back to 3.8. Got rejected up there again. We've been rejected twice now up on this level here. You can see in the last 2 hours we've been rejected. So we'll have to kind of monitor where this goes now. The rejections, you know, we could come back down here to the 3.7 marker, which again, I think a lot of us would want. And a lot of us would probably want this. You can see the volume right here at 3.6. So there was a good amount of volume right there. When we zoom back in on that. Good volume here at the 3.6 level coming across. So again, a ton of volume down here at the 30 level. So which is right in the fair value gap, or sorry, not the fair value gap, right in the golden pocket. So the 30 cent marker for HBAR is looking the killer if this has any retrace. If we retrace at all, the 30 cent marker is killer for HBAR. Where are the degen speculators speculators in the market right now? Retail coming in next. Yeah, they are. They're going to come in next. Crypto Navigator. Where is the first A-team celebration party going to be? Vegas, bro. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Let's all go to like Wyoming or something. Just kidding. Murdoch, thanks again for the $2, dude. XRP to Bitcoin. Hold my beer, dude. That's exactly what it was, man. Dude, this chat is so hard to get through. Oh my gosh, buddy, dude, thanks so much for the 1 month. You're being on the 18 for 1 month, dude. What do you think HBAR price will be on the 20th? That's so hard to say, dude, but I think it's gonna. I've been saying for a while that I think XRP has a chance to hit all-time highs after the 20th. I think I've been saying that for over a couple weeks now, if not a month, saying that when Trump comes in, I could see a lot of these things hitting all-time highs. At least XRP now. XRP is definitely close. HBAR is only 20 cents away from their all-time high, so HBAR could be right there with it. So, yeah, the candles tell me there's a lot of money coming in. I think so too, dude. Candles are looking pretty good right now. Screw the SEC. XRP, you know me. Heck yeah, dude. Sorry, I missed a lot of your guys' chat because I'm trying to get through this. Queef, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Austin, can you take a look at XDC? Yeah, we could look at XDC again. Got XDC down here. XDC has been absolutely tearing it up the last couple days. You can see right here. This thing has been on a sender since December 31st. Look at this. Up roughly what? 113%. Yeah, XDC is killing it. And people were telling me to buy this back then, and I should have bought, but I didn't want to buy. I didn't want to get on uphold, and I kind of, again, we all miss our opportunities, and that's one I missed. So kudos to everyone on XDC right now. This thing has been on an absolute sender. So thanks, Quee, for your donation to the channel as well. People are gonna buy until Monday. I would agree with that. Let's see here. Don't forget to hit that like button. Oh, appreciate you, Jacob. Yeah, thanks for reminding me. I always forget to say that. Trav Shout coming in hot with 10 more gifted memberships. Dang, you guys are battling the gifted memberships here. If Trav gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Trav. Welcome the 10 new members to the A team. You guys are now part of the A team and a part of the channel, and I appreciate that. Austin, new all-time high. Yeah, it's starting to peel back again. We're starting to have a little bit of a downturn here. Again, Bitcoin's coming down slightly. Ethereum's struggling a little bit here, but we'll see what the day turns out here. Usually around midnight tonight, we have a pretty good action in the charts anyways, around midnight. So midnight when it comes to XRP, we're going to probably see some things rolling around. Roll that ad money into XRP. 80K subscribers. Austin's going to do the Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. That's funny. Paul, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Hi, Austin. What do you think about XLM? Dude, I love XLM. I like XLM. I don't talk about it enough. It doesn't get as much love from me, even though it's like my 5th largest bag in crypto, just because the other things I have a lot more with them. But I mean, yeah, XLM's looking great, dude. You can see right now that they've already filled this fair value gap right here. And if we go to the 4-hour, where's their 4-hour fair value? The next one is right down here into the 43 to roughly 45. So if there's any retracement on this one, that's what we're looking at. So we could probably pull. I haven't pulled a fib on this one. Let's pull a fib real quick on this. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, it's in sell territory, just like a lot of other things. But I mean, you can see right here, there's a lot of good opportunities still here. At the 40 cent, I've always said 40 cents. That's where we were buying it up. So people that bought this 40-cent marker, which was the last day, was on Monday the 13th. This thing went absolutely crazy after that, and it hasn't looked back. So yeah, 40. That's where this line was. Is the 40-cent marker I put out there for anyone that was looking at an entry price for XLM was at 40 cents, which is this green line that I think it's been there for a while now. So thanks again for the $2, Paul. Brandon, thanks so much for $2, dude, bro. Hit that like button. 32 likes. 32 likes. Oh my gosh, dude. We only have 32 likes on the channel here right now, or on the video. Gosh, dang. Austin's subscriber count's about to go parabolic. Well done. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's nice that you guys are killing it with the we're almost to 79,100 subscribers. So you guys are fantastic, man. one that can make money too, like XRP. Yeah, you got to find the ones that can make money. XLM's up there to make money. I mean, we can look at market caps here, right? Market caps are important to look at because it helps you to guide like where it could go. I mean, it's at a $14 billion market cap. Like if that were even to 5x right now, it's like a 60 billion market cap, which is roughly right where Dogecoin's at. So you're telling me that XLM can't get where Dogecoin's at? No, it definitely can. I definitely think it can get there. Same with HBAR. I definitely think the HBAR sitting at roughly another 15 could definitely get there. Same with Chainlink. I think a lot of these can get up into these levels up here. They can challenge their Cardanos and the Trons and the Avalanches. I mean, I definitely think that can happen. And so, it's not that far away. It's $60 billion market cap. Not that hard. We see Dogecoin doing it. I mean, I think a lot of these other ones that actually bring some real use case to our lives and into the crypto space with technology are going to outperform a lot of these other ones. And so I think we're still super early. As much as this looks like it's overwhelmingly in terms of price and market cap, no, I don't think so at all. Joe Velasquez, thanks so much for the $5 donation. Thanks for keeping us level-headed out here in the jungle. No problem. You guys keep me level-headed too, man. Trust me, as much as you think I keep you level-headed, you guys keep me level-headed too. It's good to talk through things. It's good to look at things and, help each other when we need to and all that good stuff, dude. Without it, I'd be running around too with a chicken with the head cut off. What are your thoughts on JASMY? I'm still waiting for someone to tell me what JASMY is and what it does. I think I'm always going to say that. I think that's like my response. Akeisha, what's going on? Good to see you. Did someone say you guys are wild, dude? Shib Army, dude. What's up, buddy? Waiting on Monday is like a kid waiting on Santa. I know, dude. I'm with you, Shib, dude. Shib Army, appreciate you being here, man. It is. It's like waiting. It's like waiting for Christmas for adults, dude. I could just join the Discord. My bad. I think I did it right, but not seeing it. You got to be a member first, Jonathan. So once you're a member, then you can enter Discord. So there are a ton of crypto channels on YouTube. This is by far the most realistic, informative, and has the best community of any I found. Dude, Jonathan, thank you so much, man. Much love to much love to the A team, man. It's already started changing our lives, dude. And we'll continue that way, man. And I guess I appreciate your kind words there. Crypto makes no sense to me. I bought it because I was told to dream in 2020. Grateful to find a normal dude talking about it and not trying to sell me something. Thank you, Christy. It's so crazy to hear that because I don't watch anyone else. So I don't know how anyone else is like. I should probably start watching some lives and see how other people are. Because you're not the only. I get like at least some of these comments every time I'm on. Did that what it's like out there? Is just people just trying to sell stuff? Like it just seems so crazy to me. Why? Isn't the intention to like just talk about crypto, talk about investments, talk about like where things could be and it just seems crazy to me that people are out there like really trying to sell people on stuff. It just seems so like what were those people that like knocked on like the Kirby vacuum people? Like they were knocking on your door trying to like sell you vacuums. Like I feel like it's kind of like that. That just seems crazy to me. But thank you so much for your kind words. I do appreciate that a ton. XRP Lamar, thanks so much for the $2 donation to the channel, man. Really appreciate that. You guys do realize I'm still like 20 minutes behind just off all the donation comments here is insane, dude. I'm just reading donation comments because there's just so many of them and I can't even keep up with it. Biden's body double. What's up, buddy? Thanks so much for the $5, dude. You think it's claims tonight or correction? What's the indicator saying? Well, right now it's hard because the indicators these patterns are off. Right? We were easy right here, dude. This is remember how easy these, let me move your comment out of the way real quick. Look how easy these, just go look back at this, right? Like just think to yourself. And the reason why this is hard is because we've been following the same pattern for over a month and a half. Easy patterns to follow, dude. And you can see it started to break. Remember, we talked about this break from pattern. Remember, we were live on stream and I said, hey, if it goes one way, we broke the pattern. And this is where we broke that pattern right here, if you guys remember. And since then, it's like I said, we had one more up, one more down. And this is now, it's really off. The pattern's not there. So to answer your question, the indicators are off a little bit. So when they're off, that means that like I usually don't touch the market when they're off, right? I'll just let it do its thing. And then when they come back to they'll come back to some normal. And at that point, I'll be able to myself personally, like I said, I don't expect anyone to follow what I'm doing. I just wait for things to come back to normal to then put my money back in. I want things back to normal like this, which then we can find to make money off swing trades. If this keeps going up, I don't care. I got that long-term bag. We just keep watching it go. And eventually it'll come back to some kind of normalcy where we'll trade sideways like this and we'll be able to make a lot of money off it like we did back in December. And then, like I said, if it's going crazy like this, I'll just let it ride, do its thing, and I'll wait for the pullbacks to come back in. That's literally my strategy. Like, as simple as that. So I don't worry about all this. Like, I mean, like, you know, I know that people that are new, they kind of, you know, trying to find entry points. And I totally feel you, dude. That's why I said, you know, it's just at some point you just got to get your feet wet. You can't just be sitting on the sidelines looking at it in all the time. Sometimes you're going to have to endure dips and DCA your way into bags if you haven't built one. You're just going to have to. It's just part of the game. And so if you're on the outside looking in, that's what you got to do. But I mean, I look for normalcy. So like, I'm not going to just throw money at the chart right here, knowing that the patterns are off. My bag is still accumulating money. I'm still going up with everyone else here, still making really good gains off my long term. And then when it comes back to some normalcy, we start trading sideways again. Boom, we come right back into day trading again, finding an entry point, and we start making that money on the swing trades again. But I'm not going to just throw money at a dartboard here and hope that it sticks. You know, buying up here, and then tomorrow it comes down here. You know what I mean? Like, that's just not. I'm not in a position to. That's just not the position of my trading right now. So that's just me being 100% candid with everyone on how I'm looking at this. So it's really hard to say because the indicators that I follow that make it really easy to swing trade and make money off the swing trades, it's off. It's all thrown off right now. And that's okay. That's good. I mean, that just shows that we're on this crazy rise. So now it's just being calm. I'm just trying to be calm, be patient. And when the time comes to strike in, it's time to strike, and we ride it again, dude. So that's kind of my strategy right there. So, and again, my strategy works for me. You need to find a strategy that works for you. I will always tell you guys that. Find a strategy that works for you and what is best for you, not what's best for me or anyone else. Because it's your hard-earned money that you're putting out there. What a coincidence that they happen to name a government agency Doge. I think it's hilarious, dude. That's like perfect. You know what I mean? Austin Ameriprise Financial Incorporated as a holding company, the firm provides financial planning assets. That's true. They do. I would agree with that, Parker. Why are you saying HBAR $2? Is that this year in 2026? I think that we're in this bull run, the height of this bull run. I feel that we could hit based off of I did numbers, and if you look at the previous numbers, I think that there's a chance where, and we could break down that number. I was going to actually make a video on it, but if you guys want me to break it down, I will. I'm Ophelia. Is it too late to invest in XRP? I mean, if you're on the sidelines looking in, I think I'll say it again, man. Getting your feet wet's the most important thing. And once you get it wet, once you get your feet wet one time, you're good to go. XLM starting to break out. Let's take a look at XLM here real quick. Oh yeah, it's looking good, man. Yeah, we're starting to the 4.9 here. Went up all the way to the 5.1. So yeah, it's looking pretty good, man. You could see the XLMs even on this last cycle got up to 64 cents. So what is that from where it's at right now? Or it's 24 from the top of where it hit. But I mean, if we go down to where it's at, I mean, that's still almost a 30% gain if we actually get back even with that. So we know that it can actually do that. So again, XLM to me, if out of all these, right, HBAR or XRP, we already had this breakout here. HBAR already had this breakout here because now we're back above this level over here. XLM, if I was going to put any money in the market at this moment, right now, if I were to buy today, personally, I would buy XLM because we haven't actually had a breakout yet. We're working our way back up, and we are literally, if we get back up here, just like HBAR and everything else, we are 30% away. So that means, or 24% away. That means if I put 10K in this right now, I'm gonna be sitting at $2,400 when it actually hits up here. So there's opportunities still here with XLM. Plus, on top of that, dude, let's go back and look at XLM. All-time high is 93. So, I mean, even if it were right now at sitting here at 50 cents, if we get back up to 93, that's almost an 84% gain. That's not that far away. So, again, just my insight on where I'd be. Plus, as you guys can see right here, XLM has actually been a lot easier to trade because of the rhythm of their market. They had a little hiccup right here, which is fine, but the rhythm has come back. So we can actually see that right now on the 4-hour, we're in a downward trend right now, okay? The 12-hour, right? It's peaking up here. It's probably going to come down again, right? We're on this nice little trend here. The day chart, this is the one thing where, again, the day chart could get a little funky because we've seen this here happen here. So is this going to happen again? I don't know. but you know, we probably have it's probably not going to happen before this week. So XLM to me is kind of like where I would probably, if I had to buy today, if you told me that 10K, Austin, you got to pick one, man. You got to pick 10,000. You got to pick something to put it in. The one I'm putting it in right now is XLM, and it's because of that scenario right here. HBAR's already broke through. This is XRP already broke through. HBAR already breaking through right now. XLM hasn't got there yet. So out of the top 15 cryptos, I mean, this one makes sense to me. Chainlink, again, look at Chainlink. Chainlink is another one of those, dude. Again, we came down hot. Our day chart's coming up strong right now. Our 12 hours looking pretty good right here. It's peaked out a little bit, so we might have another hiccup in a day or two. But I mean, this is another one of those where we are roughly what? We are roughly 30% away from here. I already said this, dude. This is the buy. This was the buy down here 2 days ago. You know, this was I said it to myself, like we're getting the link, and it's gonna be, you know, again, we have a nice little rally back up. This was a crazy number. Someone told me in there, and I was like, dude, that's crazy where we're at. So again, that's going to be a nice little return right here. If it gets back up here, a 71% return just on this cycle high. This is just the cycle high. So those are the two. Luke, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. I do appreciate that. Welcome. Brandon, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Managed to get in at $3.18, up 50% on the trade. Got my butt handed to me earlier. Love your content, dude. Brandon, way to get in there, man. And 50% up on your trade is freaking fantastic, dude. And super happy. And thanks so much for the $5. And yeah, I like I said, thank you. And to the moon. I'm with you, bud. I'm with you, man. Carlos, 1 month in, would you dump your flare bag for something else? I got an early on flare, so I probably wouldn't, because there's just no need for it. It's not my biggest bag. Where's my flare? No, I probably wouldn't, dude. I mean, flare's been coming back pretty hot. I mean, we got into flare like way back over here, dude. Where did I get into flare at? Dude, we got into flare. I think we got into flare like somewhere over in here, dude. Tell you the truth, we got way before that. Actually, I don't know when we got into flare. I got to go back and look at when I got into flare. But yeah, I got in at a good price. I think it was like less than 1%. Like it was down in here somewhere. I think it was earlier this year. I think it was the 20. Yeah, I think it was right in here, dude, actually. It had to have been earlier this year. I think when Digi came in and was like, you got to buy. So I think I got it at like 1 cent, something like that. So yeah, I don't know if I would. I'm not up a ton. But I don't think I would. I'd probably just hold it, dude. I know there's no reason for me to sell it at this point. To answer your question, there's no reason for me to. Oh, thanks, Alexi. Appreciate you. CJ, dude, thanks so much for the $5, dude. 100,000 subs by end of Q1. That'd be awesome, CJ. If we can get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of that would be incredible. 20,000 subscribers is a lot of subscribers. So I mean, we're 20,000 away, almost 21,000 away. I think we're roughly at what? 79,137. So we gained a lot here tonight, but I mean, yeah, we have a long ways to go, but that would be fantastic, dude. That would put a huge smile on my face for sure. How do you spend on gas fees to transfer from Coinbase to Ledger? It depends on the size. Sola, it depends on the size of your what you're transferring. So that's a big one. I can't even keep up with you guys, dude. You guys are going crazy. As soon as I think I'm going to catch up, I can't. We're getting in unicorns. Killawell coming in hot with the 5, dude. Join the Discord. We'll all be part of. Oh my gosh, you're crazy, bro. Thanks so much for the $5. You guys are crazy as always, dude. But I love you. And again, thanks so much for the donation to the channel, bro. I'm not reading that. You almost got me. Dude. You almost got me. How can you order a Vente, Austin? Now you can order a Vente. Hell yeah, dude. I got my coffee right here, bro. Always have my coffee ready, man. I'm pumping all my money into US based crypto. I ain't mad at that. That's not a bad idea. So let's go back to the 12 hour. Yeah, so I gave my spew on sort of where this is at, but I mean that's kind of my view if I had to look at it as of right now. Would love a membership. Bro, I made money today. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, I think a lot of people did. Hey, Austin, you remind me of a retirement account I forgot about on Wednesday. Thank you so much. Dude, hell yeah, Levo. You got in that TD Ameritrade. XTC is working with the trade finance, quadrillion, and markets. All right, halftime. From Australia, love your work. Oh, Mark, what's up, bud? We're from down under, man. Austin, what's up with XRP live event on Brighter House YouTube? I don't think that's real, dude. I don't think that's real. Careful of the scams out there. Now that XRP is booming again, we're gonna have all the scam shit coming in here. So please be careful with all that fake XRP stuff. How much you spend on gas? I already said that. Hey, A team, only been back in the game for about a month. It's great seeing XRP and HBAR finally having their day. I'm with you, dude. Cardano will continue to rise. It's just gonna be a slow mover. 260 XRP entry for me. Hell yeah, Novi. I said Navy. Novi, think that's actually pretty damn good. How much do you spend? Dude, this guy, why do you keep asking the same question, bro? I keep reading it too. Sorry, dude. I keep reading it. I don't know why yours stands out of everything I'm scrolling through. I just land on that same one for some reason, dude. Oh my God. A-Team seems like a great community. I've got so much to learn. Coach Ryan, yeah, that's good. It's good, man. We're here for it, dude. 100%. Fan, you have to make cook to the sandwich breakfast. What's up, Maddie B? Oh, you're looking at her. What's up, Maddie? I looked at the top, clicked on everything. I don't see a link. Yeah. So on the top, did I not pin it to the top? I thought I pinned it up there to the top. Maybe I didn't. You can go into my description, into the video's description. There's a Discord link right there. You can click on that as well. So yeah, click on that. William, dude, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A-Team. If William gifted you a membership, please say thank you to William. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A-Team. You're officially now a part of the channel, dude. V-Man, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Got 201 on XCN, up to 293, went down to 259, took 200 back, now 59, free bag. There you go, dude. Taking back what you put in and just riding the profits, dude. That's not a bad strategy. People do all the time, right? Take back what you put in, ride the profits, and then roll that $200 over to something else and do the same thing. It's not a bad way to do it, man. People do it all the time. So kudos to you, man. Ark, thanks so much for the $10, dude. What's your take on CRV? I hear it can 10 to 25x from the price. CRV, why does that sound familiar to me? CRV, what the hell CRV? The Curve DAO token. Yeah, Curve DAO is actually, it's a DAO. If you guys like DAOs, it's a top 100 crypto. I'll show it because it's top 100. It's actually 90, but if you guys like DAOs, it's definitely one of those. No different than the Lido DAO and all that kind of stuff. You can see its all-time high was $11. That's gonna be hard to get back up to, but you can see it did go through a bull run, which is nice, right? $3.80 was its high in that cycle, coming out here at $6. Pretty good. But yeah, I'm not big into. I think DAOs are cool. I'm not as big into DAOs as I used to be. I used to be really big into DAOs, which is I think they're really good, to be honest with you. And but some people don't really care for them. And again, people that don't know what a DAO is, it's a decentralized autonomous organization. Basically, you have complete control of the decentralization of that project. So it can be pretty cool if you're into that kind of stuff. So Vitalik and the world have partnered to tokenize 3 billion worth of diamonds. Damn. I can always watch the whole stream, but I always get notifications. So I drop that. I appreciate you, Jonathan. Thank you, man. I do hold Solana. Yeah, I do hold Solana. Again, I don't hold the largest bag anymore. I did for a while there. I bought some pretty good amount in early 2024, rode that thing up, and I did sell a pretty good amount of it. So yeah, but I still hold Solana. Yeah, I do. James, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much. I feel like you were a member before, but I could be wrong. But thank you so much, man, for that. And welcome to the channel. I got rid of my JASMY. I'm so far behind that you guys are probably telling me what JASMY is. Ripple lawyer who was with Trump and Gardenhouse said the beef was good. That's awesome. JASMY is an ERC20 token junk. And not all crypto size. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, I think we are all pretty chill people. I'd say that. Sorry, I'm scrolling pretty fast trying to catch up to you guys. I'm 15 minutes behind still with you guys. Uncle Buck, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. This has been the fastest. I had to check to see if my subscriber mode was on, because you guys, this is the hardest I've ever had to keep up with the chat. Never. This has been one of the hardest ever, dude. So Uncle Buck, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. You're officially now a member of that channel. And yeah, anyone that's new, anyone that got gifted a membership, anyone that joined this membership, you go into my description box. There's a Discord right there. Click on that Discord. Attach your YouTube and Discord together, right? Make sure it's the YouTube that you're using right now that got the membership. Attach it to the Discord. Go into the rules section. Scroll down to the bottom. Hit the check mark at the bottom of there saying that you accept the rules to the Discord. Again, it's like, making sure that you're nice and courteous and all the other stuff that comes with it. And then go down to where it says choose. You'll be able to then select all the emojis and come in and into the Discords. And there'll be people over there. There's a ton of people already in Discord right now that are going to be, welcoming you with open arms. How can we buy more without effing up our average? You won't. You'll be able to, Daniel. We're in a bull market, dude. Bull market, you're going to mess up your average, dude. It's just simple as that. A bull market's going to mess up your average. So, yeah, you're going to have to welcome to the bull. This isn't a real inauguration. We'll send. Yeah, I'm not going to be on the sidelines for inauguration. I'll tell you that, Borishito. Santa Corky, dude. Thanks so much for the $5, dude. I'm here. Watch you live from Yakima, Washington. Heck yeah, bro. Central Washington up in the house. Just telling lived in Ellensburg for 5 years. So we're going to Central Washington. And yeah, I love it over there, dude. We go to Yakima like literally once a week to the mall and all that good stuff. And oh my gosh, dude, what was the name of that burger joint out there? There's a really good claim. No, I can't remember the damn burger joint. Gosh, it's gonna bug me now. There's like an old school burger joint out there. What was the name? I can't remember the damn name now. Is it Bob's Burgers? Is it Bob's? No, it's not Bob's Burgers. I don't know the name of it, dude. You'll be able to tell me. But yeah, there's a good burger joint out there. We used to go there all the time. It's been a long time. I sold those vacuums for about 24 years ago. Did you really, dude? Oh, we're talking about Kirby still. Gosh. Craig, dude, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Craig gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him. And those 5 new members, welcome. Donovan, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel as well. Damn, we're getting some membership. We are getting members up in the house here tonight. Welcome, Donovan. You're now officially part of the A team. We got Shaman Says up in the house here. What's up, Shaman? Good to see Shaman. Code Core. Good to see Code Core. Hell yeah, A-Team. No, you guys are awesome, dude. Boomer Sumer, what's up, buddy? Good to see Boomer in the house here. Boomer, well explained, bro. This is why I follow you. Your moves haven't looked back. Oh, dude, appreciate that. What's up, D5? I feel like I haven't seen D5 in a minute, dude. Where you been? Bro? Where you been? You been working? Should we buy more or wait till it goes down? I think it's up to you, man, but I will not be on the sidelines come Monday. I'll tell you that right now. I'll probably have, even though all my money on even the $20,000 I have chilling right now for swing trades will be somewhere in a play, even if it's buying the tops. I will not be on the sidelines. And if it goes down, it goes down. I come down burning with the ship, dude. I'll come down with the ship. But I'd rather be there for it than not. MK, 27-month member, dude. MK, appreciate you, man. It's time to strike. I love it, dude. 27 member, dude. 27 months, man. That's well over 2 years as an A-Team member, and I couldn't be more appreciative of that. MK, always hold it down for me. A-Team, the best community. Hell yeah, dude. It is. Too good. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel, man. You're officially now a member of the A-Team. Thank you very, very much, dude. It's good to have you on. Everyone has a destiny, but destiny doesn't pick everyone. You're here because you're one of the chosen to have a date with destiny. What's up, Burrell Dakar? Appreciate you, man. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. You think the U.S. will use XRP as the reserve asset one day? Maybe, dude. You never know. I don't know, but it could help probably move a lot of things across the blockchain. That's for sure. A secure blockchain. XRP is coming down slightly over the last hour of being on here. Coming down to about 32 again. It went up here to 35, and now it's coming down to, you can see here on the hour, there's a nice little fair value gap that left open right here. We got another one right here. So yeah, there's definitely some of these that are trickling along. The 4 hour is still looking pretty good for the 4 hour. HBAR struggled to get above this 39. We came back down. So we have about what 30, we have about 25 more minutes till we pick up the next hour. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. The new candle is going to come out here around 10 o'clock tonight. Will be the new candle for XRP on the 4 hour, and the new candle for this one is going to come out here around 4 a.m. So 4 a.m. we're going to have a new candle coming down. We'll see where this comes up, but yeah, we're going to continue to monitor it for sure. Mike Jones. Oh my gosh, dude, I almost just started singing that song. Mike Jones, hoop Mike Jones. I just like literally thought of that. Sorry to put that out there, but Mike Jones, welcome to the A team. You're officially now a part of the channel. Thank you very, very much. And welcome. Dude, I'm literally all I can think about is Mike Jones. Who? You had to buy into Link after the convo on stream. Did you really? Did you buy into it, bro? Respect. Me too. Dude, 1 month member. Heck yeah. What are the coins base backed loans? What are the Coinbase back loans? Oh, you could just use Bitcoin as you can go buy Bitcoin and then use that as to back your loan. So they'll give you cash basically. I don't know why you would do that, where you can go get a loan and you can say, hey, I need like $30,000 in cash. So you'll give them the Bitcoin and they'll back you. It'll be like a backed, you can take a loan backed by Bitcoin. That's basically what it is. So yeah, kind of crazy, right? How much do you spend on, dude, it's so funny. I keep reading the damn thing, Sola. Killing me, bro. You killing me, dude. Would you dump SHIB? I probably would, yeah. I would sell my SHIB for sure. I get it, because SHIB doesn't excite me as much as it used to, right? Back in the day, for sure, SHIB was like my number one. Everyone knows here, man. I made tons of SHIB content. Huge SHIB guy. You know, one of my biggest bags in crypto. Made some of the biggest gains from SHIB ever. And, you know, but again, that's 2021. We're in 2025, and there's a lot of other things out here than just SHIB. So, you know, I've moved on. Nothing against them, but that's just kind of where I've been, you know. When is a good time to get into XRP? I'm headed to Seattle in June. If you had one restaurant to eat at, what would it be? Ooh, that's a good question, man. I'll have to think about that. There's a lot, but I'll have to think about that one. So give me a minute. Let me star that. I'll star that comment. I'll come back to you. How much did you spend? Dude, if you comment that again, I swear I'm gonna freak out. I don't know why I keep reading his comment, dude. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's too late. Maybe I'm tired. I subscribed tonight. Heck yeah, dude. Thank you so much, Aaron. Coffee's a scam drink. Old man Jenkin, what's up, bud? What's your XLM prediction? I mean, I think my XLM, I mean, I haven't done a prediction on XLM actually. That's the only one I haven't done one on. I should probably do one. I mean, we could probably do it right now if you guys want. I mean, we know that previous highs is sitting here at 93, right? So, and then we do know that the previous lows. So we do know that the next low of the next bear market, the next low will hit the top of the previous bull run. Does that make sense? So if the previous bull run was sitting here right here at 73, this was back in 2021, right here sitting at 78 cents, but then we could say that this could come down and hit 78 cents again. So what you want to look at is what is 73% down. Roughly, it goes about 73% in the market. 73 is Bitcoin's average, but it could be 80% or more for any altcoin out there. So if we start to look at this, we'd say, okay, that's at $2.39. Okay, it's probably not going to be that. So let's try 280. It's definitely, that's 71. So at $2.80, that puts us about a 70% dip in the market to the previous low. So, you know, if I had to put it out there right now, I mean, you're probably roughly around, what did I say it was going to be? Probably around $2.80 for potentially for XLM if it keeps going the way it's going. and then you would take basically it would hit its previous low from the previous bull run is usually how it goes. That's if you go back and look at how Bitcoin and everything else is, that's kind of where it's at. So if you pull back those numbers on a and that's a very conservative 71% right there, which is usually it pulls back more. So this could go higher and pull back more. But I think a conservative number as of just right now, just throwing darts at the wall is like $2.80. So just say $3 to call it good. So $3. So if we're sitting here at 50 cents, that puts us at about roughly what? Like a 4x? Is that a 4x from where we're at right now? What does that put us at? $3 puts us about a 5x. Yeah, 5x. If I had to put a number out there real quick for you. Showtime. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. I just got in on XLM. Yeah, we'll see how this thing rock and rolls, bro. Cross our fingers. Shout out to Phoenix XRP Army out here. All right, Lloyd. Paramount, thanks so much for the $2, dude. I sold all my HBAR at 36. Oh, dude, when did you sell? What day did you sell? 36. Did you just sell today? Was it today that you sold 36? Where's that put us? 36. That was today? Was that today you sold at 36? It's okay. 36. I mean, it could come back, bro. It could come back, Paramount. Don't be too upset, right? We'll maybe there'll be a little entry point that we can get back into down here. So let's just be positive and hopefully we get back in on a good entry. Y'all got a lot of active moderators. That's always a good sign. I'm glad I subscribed. Oh, dude, yeah, I appreciate you subscribing, dude. I hope you all control and protect against spammers, dude. That's all dude. I feel like that's all I spend my time doing is fighting spammers, bro. It's like the worst. It's the worst thing ever. What's the A-Team Discord? Dan, I think I actually saw you subscribe right here. Thank you so much, Dan, for becoming a member of the A-Team. You are now officially part of the channel, and you can go join the Discord. It's basically a place where we all get together and talk about crypto and a bunch of other things. So, yeah, if you want, it's part of the community, and any member can join. I'm not even catching up. I'm still 12 minutes behind. Every time I feel like I'm catching up, love the channel, love your Discord. Never a dull moment. Jorge, you're right, dude. It is. Oh yeah, I would agree. With exchanges break SHIB down like BTC with 7 digits. Stellar has been replaced by better projects simply, and that could be right. Stellar could have been like that, but it's still a top tier one, and I think it's probably going to continue to perform. But Chainlink is still a good one. I mean, if you're looking between Chainlink, like I said earlier with Chainlink, I mean, this is in the same position as XLM, right? It's come down. XLM sort of built back out, but Chainlink is a top. When we know that Chainlink is here to, this is an established crypto. It's here to stay. It's got a lot of momentum behind it, a lot of positivity. It's working with Ripple. It's working with XRP. Like this is a great project. I mean, I like Chainlink a lot. Again, I hadn't bought into it, waiting for these things to come down. I played a little bit of the game with it, but now, getting it at the 18 marker, it's looking pretty damn good. And I think that there's still a lot of room to grow with it. So unfiltered crew assemble. You're thinking Dick's. Yeah, Dick's Burgers. Dude, I actually got sick from Dick's Burgers, dude. The whole family did. We got like food poisoning from Dick's Burgers. Picture right. Pause. Dick's Burgers I got sick from. Yeah. That dude, I can't. Dick's Burgers I got sick from. All right. Gosh damn. Is it too late to go into XRP? I'm new to the game. I mean, it's definitely on the rise. That's for sure. You can see it's definitely busted out. It's in sell territory right now. I'm just gonna say that it's in sell territory, but you could do what's best. I mean, I'm personally gonna wait for it to come down, but you need to do what's best for you. Let's see here. I'm new, but I feel like we don't have a proper correction. We will have a great pump. Probably, Jonathan. Yeah. XLM, how far can go up? I think I just did the math there, so I'm catching up to the chat here. Shaman coming in with the 9-month. Who? What's up, Shaman? What's up, Shaman? Appreciate you, bro. I'm scrolling fast. Yeah, I don't see anything holding back XLM. Lord Z Zero Cool Dude woke up from a nap to the phone numbers brewing in my portfolio. Heck yeah, dude. Love y'all, team. Jay Grizz, appreciate you, man. Just getting in, caught this cold going around, dude. Patrick, I'm with you, bro. I'm still recovering. I feel like I'm still battling whatever the hell I was. So I bought some vitamin C. Got some vitamin C that I'm sitting here. I got some vitamin D. I'm just pumping it in now. I'm like, dude, I'm so bummed I don't buy Onks yesterday. Were you planning on buying it? Dude, Dick's Burger is a no-brainer. Jesse, thanks so much for the $2. What's the best swing buy for XRP? I mean, again, like this is me personally, this is just my view of it right now at this current moment of where we're at with the Fibonacci's. We're in a sell. This is still a sell zone. I don't care what anyone else says. Again, you can keep building your zones or whatever. Like it's, to me, anytime it goes above 382, it's technically a sell zone. So I don't make these rules. Fibonacci does. So argue with him, okay? So we're here right now. So where's the next purchases? So again, the best time that you want to buy this is right here in between the 618 and the 382. Like this is green area right here is where you want to buy. Right now, we're sitting here about the 50 marker. We have a nice little fair value gap right here at the 0.5, which is about 270. Okay. The one I like right here is the 250 inside of the golden pocket right here. So if I had to pick like today right now, it would be anywhere in between this green area that I'd feel comfortable buying because if that's where Fib is telling us to buy on the retracement. Retracement meaning retracing back from a high, right? Where are we going to bounce off? Again, we have fair value gaps built in here as well. So it's almost like a double indicator here, you know, and we're already seeing right now on the 12-hour that we're starting to cross back over. So are we getting a little oversold here or sorry, over purchased? Then yeah, I think we are. The day chart's up here. I don't know what's going to happen if we start to come down and break back before or what. The 4-hour is also coming down here. You can see right here, we broke down on this 4-hour and the hour is definitely down at the bottom, working its way up. So we'll see how this next 4-hour works, but that's kind of where I'm at with it. So I will probably wait for it to come into these areas. But again, I'm not sweating trying to jump into this. Like I'm not sweating trying to build a bag with it. Like, so I'm in a little bit different of a place. This hoodie's choking him. Yeah. Just a good one. Thanks for $5, man. Again, XRP, HBAR, XLM. Let's effing go. Let's effing go, dude. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Yeah, thanks so much for the super chat, Killer Well. Yeah, Litecoin, right? They're getting approved, but they applied for the SEC to get a good old ETF going. That's pretty badass. What's up, Razai? XCN doing me right? Yeah, a lot of people are saying that, Lord. I didn't buy it, but I mean, yeah, it sounds like it's doing pretty well. I'm gonna sleep. Everybody buy it. 297. Forget 225. Never. That 225, man. That was my aggressive buy, man. That was my aggressive buy. It didn't hit, but I mean, that was my aggressive buy at this point. That was quick. Oh man, why Litecoin, bro? Check the Litecoin. Is Litecoin actually doing pretty well right now? Where is Litecoin at, dude? Yeah, it's up 22%, dude. You can't knock Litecoin, dude. I mean, I'm not a big. I like Litecoin. It's great. It's old school, but yeah, it's definitely up at 131. 88% in the last year. It's not too bad. It looks like XRP is coming down slightly again to retest this next fairy gap at 829. Shit's pushing. How long do you think XRP will go before? How long do you think XRP will go before buy again? It's probably I'm gonna have to have a retrace. I have to have a retracement before I throw a dart at this thing. The fees and transfer speeds, yeah. Y'all on top of spammers. I love it. Yeah, we are. We don't mess around, dude. I think a lot with the fingers on the dumb button, waiting for the right time. Dude, to set those limit orders, man. To set the limit orders, dude. 20% dip is imminent. I mean, it would be nice if we got a 20% dip before inauguration day. That would be, you know how much money would flow in if we had a nice correction here at 20%? God, that would be insane, bro. Just think of how much money you would throw at this if it dipped 20% right now. Knowing where you know it's going to go. Now you've seen where it can go. You've seen that there's momentum behind it. Would you, and this were to dip from right here, a 20% dip, you're telling me that you wouldn't jump in at 250 right now? You wouldn't jump in at 250, 25% dip? You wouldn't take that right now? Would you take 250? I'm new to the game. Is it too late for XRP? You got to make that decision. Yeah, I mean, indicators are telling us that you know, every time I say an indicator's telling us that it's going to come down, this thing has been wonky, bro. So Watcher Guru just posted Donald Trump's Treasury Secretary Scott Bassett says there's no reason. Yeah, I saw that today, dude. Parker, that's a good call. Yeah, he did say there's no reason for any CBDC. I agree. I hope they stand by that. I don't want that. Hope the newbies getting in low at least 100x. Yeah, post was 9:35. Oh yeah, that came out earlier. What the hell is this? Let me zoom back out of here. Yeah, I think they put it up here. Where was it at? Yeah, right here. Right here is where he says the secretary says that doesn't believe that there should be any CBDCs, which is badass. I'd much rather have that. 18 strong. Appreciate you, Seiko. Were you expecting a dip before inauguration? It would be nice if we had a dip before inauguration. I think it would create some entry points for a lot of people that are waiting on the sidelines. And it would create, I think it'd be a bigger catalyst. But again, that's just me. Yeah, Route 66, you and me both, bro. I would not sell 100% of my bag before inauguration day. Subscribe. Should I go long on XRP now? I mean, it's definitely an over purchased territory. So it's up to you, but it's over purchased territory. I'll continue to say it, but it's proven me wrong a couple days now. So buy the rumor, sell the news. It could be, Eric, right? I mean, we could be baking in that inauguration day, right? Inauguration day comes, we've already baked it in. You know what I mean? But I don't think so. I think, you know, even Bitcoin, right? Still struggling to get over that 102 marker. You know, we know that where Bitcoin's going, but I mean, it hasn't got back up to that 108 marker. So yeah, be interesting to see how that plays out. I am really far behind, dude. Like literally, I'm trying to catch up. When do you think retail is really going to ramp up? Usually, retail usually comes in at the end of the bull market. People start to field in. We'll start to get like thousands and probably millions of retail investors when the height of the bull market comes. That's when people start to buy. The height of the bull market, everyone FOMO's in, and then that's what happens. So that's usually how it works. Did you? Timsky. Austin, thank you so much for giving out solid information. You say things that just make sense. Other TA channels just I appreciate you, GT, man. Thanks so much for the kind words, dude. Shah, thanks so much for the €2 to €2, dude. What's a good price to long BTC before January? I mean, probably you're gonna have to do it this weekend, and we only got 3 days. So I mean, you know, you got to find a good entry point right now. The if it dips back below the 1,000 marker, you know, you got this fair value gap that filled up today at this 97. This hit today. Earlier this morning around 4 a.m. we hit this dip right here, hit down to 97. So I mean, you got a lot of good entry points if you're looking at it early on. Don't say you got vitamin D after what you just said with the hamburger. Oh man, really? Stepping into grace. You got bronchitis, dude? Oh man, I'm sorry. That's rough. Is ETH getting left behind? I hope you feel better. Yeah, it could get left behind a little bit. I think they should bring back so people wouldn't panic invest and panic sell. You got stopped out on it. Market is coming down. Wait for the dip. What's up, Simo? I'm just gonna keep scrolling through here. Keep scrolling. Trying to catch up to you guys. You guys are a chatty one tonight, dude. And Timsky, yeah, his humor is not for everyone. That's for sure. Sean, not really. It snowed. It snowed there. It's snowing. It's snowing there, Trent. Nice. Samuel, thanks so much for the $1 gifting the 99 cent to the channel, man. Really appreciate that a ton, dude. Is XLM over purchase territory? Let's take a look again. I mean, it's on its way down right now on the 4 hour. The 12 hours showing it's on its way down, right? So yeah, it is in a little bit of, yeah, this is over purchase territory based off what we're seeing here. So this could come down, but again, you want to come down to create, because what we've done is we've created a new high to a higher low to a higher high. Now we need a higher low, right? That's how you build the chart up again. So again, 41. I had it at 40 cents, but I mean, this could move up here to the 41 marker, and then we build back up to a higher high, right? That's the progression of what you want to see. So, I mean, this right here this is pretty crazy. So we'll have something like this is kind of looking like something like this, where we could start coming down and trading sideways. Which again, 25% dip, 28% dip, 28% dip. So again, this will be interesting to see how this plays out. And every time we got on a rise, right? So let's just actually calculate this. Okay, we started here on the 5th. We rose up about 153% before we stopped going again, right? Then we went up another 52% before we started consolidating, okay? And then we went up another 117% before we started consolidating. Right now, we're up another 65%. So, I mean, it'll be interesting to see where this goes before we start consolidating. And if we consolidate, we're going to go down to probably a 25 to 28% consolidation. If we look at everything else. I sold all my XRP. Damn, bro. SCR, thanks so much for the $2, dude. I don't know how to say that. TOSRF is an XRP ETP. Just saying. 401k flip. I don't even know what that is, bro. But thanks so much for the $2. Not financial advice. 401k flip. Are you talking like putting your money in that? I don't know. I'd put my 401, definitely put my 401k in Miners Burgers. Yeah, Miners Burgers. That's right. Miners Burgers, dude. Thanks, fan. Yeah, Miners Burgers. That's exactly what it was. Miners. Yeah. That was the Yakima burger joint. Just to let everyone know. That's how far behind I am. Oh, entertaining stupid money phase. True. the entertaining stupid money phase. Heck yeah. Trump inauguration speech has XRP in it. That's crazy. Oh, did you replay that part? I'm sure someone clipped it and put it in Discord already. So I'm probably that is an IWN moment. Some people don't know what an IWN moment is, but that moment is there. Austin, at what price would you tattoo XRP on your butt? Probably not. I do not like, dude. I do not like pain. I do not like needles. All right. So to be honest with you, I probably wouldn't even touch it. If you like burgers, Shannon D. Dude, I'm trying to get the Discord and join, but don't know how. Yeah, you got to become a member. Oh, it looks like you did just become a member, Amanda. Amanda Seymour, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're now officially part of the A team and a part of the channel. You can now go join that Discord. So yeah, definitely connect your YouTube to the Discord. Go into integrations, connect it. Go over, click on the rules, go down, hit that check mark at the bottom saying you agree to the rules. And then you can come over and it says choose, and then you can actually choose the rooms that you want to enter. So you should be good to go. What time is the member stream only? I wasn't going to stream, but I'll probably end it here in the next 2 minutes. How about that? I know I haven't got through a lot of the questions here, but yeah, I should probably go over to the member stream after this. So Mike Anonymous, you're on Discord. You need a channel member first. Yeah. So I should probably get that going. I told everyone I was going to stream. It'll probably be like, we'll have a member stream for like 30 minutes or so, where members only could come in and talk. That's kind of be the plan probably. Yeah, no tattoos here. Austin, I can't remember. I know you mentioned you have a low cost base, so of course you're enjoying the ride, but are you also continuing to load up even on? I'm only swing trading SA. I just find entry points to swing trade. So I find, I want to have more wins than losses. So if I can find more W's than L's, I'll do that. So if I have to wait anywhere from 5 to 7 days to enter into a good swing trade, I'll do that. Right? I'm not stressing. That's the whole point of having a long-term bag that I built, throughout the bear market to then just sit there and accumulate during the bull. And then I take my extra cash and I swing trade it. So like, I'm not trying to push every day. I'm just trying to find good entry points that are solid, make sense to me, and I push them in. So dang, someone had to say something. The stream was funny today. That was pretty good, huh? Rudy Villa, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much for that. Welcome. You got that BBL. Dave, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel as well. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, man. The members only live. Yeah, we're gonna do I'll do a members only live here right when we get off. Probably go over to Discord, put a link in the chat there, and we'll do that as well. So I'm gonna wait till everyone crashes in my. Do we have to go to Discord to find the member stream? Yes, you'll have to go into Discord. I'll put a link out there. Actually, tell you the truth, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I was doing it one way or the other. I'll probably end up going live on YouTube and then just make it members only to comment in there. It just makes it easier. I think that's probably what I'll end up doing. Hit that like button, Austin, so you can watch it, but you just won't be able to comment because I'll be focusing on the A teams. Anyone that's part of the channel, I'll be focusing on their discussions versus all the other stuff coming in. Are you going live during the alt season? Yeah, definitely going live during the alt season. Just go live straight. Never too late. So if HBAR might go to 2, is it a good investment? Well, yeah, I mean, of course it would be if it went to 2. That was lit as usual. Heck yeah, dude. Been watching for a week. This community is all love. Oh, appreciate that, Rudy. Thanks so much for joining the A team as well. If you aren't in Discord yet, you can just stay on YouTube, but members will only be able to access the chat. Yeah, that is true. I wonder if I should just stay streaming and just move it over to. I wonder if I should just stay streaming right now and just move it over to members only versus recreating a whole new stream. I could probably do that. I could probably just move it to members only. You're gonna go live on the 20th. What are you doing? Yeah, what we doing? We're gonna go live on the 20th for sure. Yeah, I'll probably just so I'm gonna stay here on live. I'll just move the content over to members only, and then we could start from there. And I'm gonna pull up the Discord as well. So if anyone on Discord wants to talk or put it in a chat here, we'll go over to this crypto chat as well. And so if people have any questions over here in text, you can do that in Discord. And then on top of that, I'll do it over here as well. So let me move this over to members only. So again, everyone that's not a member, I'm going to move it over to members only. So you only have a members only chat coming on here, and we'll talk about things on the chat for everyone else here. And I could probably even enter. We could enter into a. I wonder how that would work. I wonder how I could do that. Where people come in and actually talk. Gifted 5 memberships. Seiko, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team before we do this. Thank you very, very much for gifting those 5 memberships, Seiko. Appreciate you a ton, man. If Seiko gifted you a membership, say thank you to Seiko very much. Yeah, let's jump over to, let me get this chat over to members only, and then we'll build off of that. So let's go to members only. Oops, nope, that's not what I wanted. Let's go to customize, and then we're going to go to members. Save. All right, so now members only can talk in the chat right now. So moving forward, we're going to have members only. So anyone that wants to chat and has questions for members only, let's try to keep it, definitely on point with. Yeah, you can still join if you'd like. So comfortable here. Yeah, so I think one of the questions that came through today was, or one of the questions that came through yesterday was someone was asking how we, what was it? Was it Intrigue that was asking how we created a whole new chart? I really don't know what topic there was. I think there was a couple topics I was going to do today for members only. Did you see the HBAR test, the 40? I did. Mad Hakur, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, man. Thank you. After 12, it gets crazy. I can't remember what it was that people wanted to talk about. Fan, do you remember what they were? What the topics were? I love Jay. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much. Ed, thanks so much for becoming a member as well. Thank you very, very much, man. Welcome to the A team. Both of you guys, welcome to the A team. Cold wallets. Oh yeah. We're talking about cold. Oh, we're talking about how to cold wallets was the number one thing, and then or no, we're talking about hot wallets. Wasn't that right? Route 66. It wasn't cold wallets. It was how to do non-custodial wallets. Wasn't that what it was? Like software wallets, hot wallets. So, and now he's behind again. No, I'm not. I'm not behind now. Process of doing a swing trade. what I should do is just put a what I'll do is I'll actually I'm gonna put a pull up real quick for us while we're sitting here. I'll put a quick pull up for us and we can say what we want to talk about. We'll pick one topic and we'll talk about it. Okay. We'll vote on it. We'll give like a nice 5 minutes of voting. Let me put a pull up, start a pull, and we'll go what topic? And then we're gonna add options here. We're gonna go hot wallets. We're gonna go, what was the other one? Hot wallets. There was swing trade or how to put in a trade. Swing trade. What was the other ones? Talk about ADA. Daniel, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team, dude. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. So I think those were the only ones that we have right here. Welcome again, Daniel. Thank you for being a part of the A team now. Difference of hot and cold storage. Okay. I don't know if I'll have time for both, dude. That's why I was going to just do one. I was just going to do one. So I'm just going to add this. We'll just start the poll right here. And we'll do it between hot wallets and swing trade. Which one you guys want? I'll start the poll. And then you guys can start going from there. So let me know what you guys want. When closing a massive business deal. Yeah, hot wallets is there. I just did 2 of them. So definitely go and vote on that of what you guys want. So far, it's a swing trade. Okay. So with that, I'll prepare while we're sitting here waiting. I'll prepare for. Let's go to Coinbase here. Let me go over here to. I'll get it set up now. So we'll do. It looks like we're leaning more towards swing trade. 34% for hot walls. We have 121 votes. So okay, let's go. Let's see here. You know what sucks? You know what sucks about this is I have to because I want to share my I don't know if we're gonna be able to do swing trade because I want to be able. I need to set up my I actually want to do a trade with you guys. So I probably won't be able to do it because I gotta set up. I gotta be verified on Coinbase on here. I haven't gone through the verification process with this, so shit, I might not be able to do it. I'll probably have to do the verification process tonight. I'll have to go through here and add all this stuff. I can't do the actual swing trade. I can't even send funds. I was going to send Ethereum to here, and then we could actually go enter into a trade. I was going to do XLM tonight, with you guys. And that, so I probably won't be able to do that tonight because I'll have to go through this process today. So that kind of does suck. And I am sorry for that. Roya, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. So I kind of botched that. I was thinking that I could actually just send money to, I was thinking I could just send money over to Coinbase right now, but I can't send it. And I want to be able to share my screen with you when I do it, so you guys can see how we do all this. Rugged, yeah, my bad, dude. That's kind of sucks. I'm sorry, dude. So yeah, we're just gonna have to do wallets. That's kind of that's sucky. That's my bad. I thought I could just send money over to the wallet. I didn't realize that they were gonna require me to do all the license and sign over the taxes. That's kind of lame. But welcome to centralization, dude. That's why centralization sucks. So yeah, that kind of blows. That kind of what's up, J Lo? Selling home. So it looks like we're not going to be able to do. I'm going to end the poll, even though everyone wants swing trades. We'll have to do swing trades tomorrow. Once I get verified with Coinbase. So we're just going to talk about how to set up a hot wallet here. So one of the most positive things about here was setting up a hot wallet. And I'll probably end up sharing my my phone screen here with you guys because again, what you should do is I like to go use what's called a non-custodial wallet or a hot wallet. I like to use SafePal wallet. So SafePal wallet or MetaMask are my two favorite wallets. So you can use SafePal wallet, which is right here. The interface on these things are really nice. So a software wallet is really just a, let me get out some of these real quick. Hold on. It's starting to glitch a little bit. So a software wallet is really just anything that it's a non-custodial wallet and it's decentralized. It's not on a centralized exchange. And what you're doing is you're sending your money from a centralized exchange like a Coinbase and you're moving it onto a wallet. And so really what you're doing is these wallets right here are just interfaces for the blockchain that are out there. And SafePal actually does have not only just it has a hardware wallet or a cold storage, it also has an extension. So you can go up here and you have an extension. So you can actually download a wallet like a MetaMask right here. So you can actually go in here and you can create an extension. I have the SafePal wallet right here, which again, if you want to, we can go through, you create a wallet on here and you can do it that way as well. But the first thing you're going to want to do is go here. You want to download the app and it's going to take you to the screen here. You download the app, then the wallet will pop up on your phone. And it's just like any other wallet out there. So if everyone wants to go do it right now, if you haven't downloaded a wallet yet, it's just like Coinbase. I don't like Coinbase wallet. Coinbase wallet's too clunky for me. Once you download SafePal wallet, you'll probably never go back to another wallet. I promise you. It's so much easier to use. So the best thing you can do is go down, like just download SafePal wallet. It's okay to have multiple wallets. Like, I mean, I have SafePal wallet. I got, Trust wallet. I got Phantom on here. Speaking of Phantom, Phantom actually raised right here. Here's a wallet right here. Phantom wallet raises 150 million at a 3 billion valuation. So again, I told you guys, these third-party decentralized like wallets and everything else, they make a ton of money, dude. And so these are huge. But everyone go down. If you haven't downloaded a non-custodial wallet, go onto your phone, go to the App Store, type in SafePal. It will look like this, okay? It will look like this. Okay, let me show you I'll show you my screen. Where is my SafePal? It'll look like this. Once you download it, I can actually probably put the link in here if you guys wanted to. Or you could scan the card. You could scan this on the computer right now with your camera. Let me go back to the picture here. You could scan this QR code if you wanted to, and it'd take you to the app. Christina, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. Sporting Life, thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel as well. Thank you very, very much. And both of you, welcome to the A team. That is great. I have a Keystone and Treasure. Okay, yeah. So this is different than a cold storage. This is a hot wallet. You got the cold wallet, you got a hot wallet. Hot wallet is just a software, non-custodial wallet that you download and you can transfer things to, and it's always on your phone. So like, for instance, it's going to look like this. So you can see on the phone here. You can see right here. Let me close this down. Oh, hide that real quick. You can see right here on the phone. You see right there, SafePal wallet. You see that right there, SafePal wallet. It looks like that right up top. Right there, SafePal wallet. Okay. So I'm gonna I'll probably just zoom in a little bit here real quick. So if you're right here, right? Oops. This is actually gonna be harder than I thought. So you go to SafePal wallet, you're actually gonna have a code. So you're gonna want to actually download a new wallet. So you're gonna go in, you're gonna create a new wallet. Okay. It's a little too close for me. Woo, there we go. Go in, create a new wallet, and you're gonna say create a new wallet. You're gonna, let's just go. For me, since I've already downloaded the wallet, go up here. You're gonna add a wallet. You're gonna come here. It's gonna say add a wallet like that, and you're gonna say create new wallet. See where it says create new wallet? You can do this. If you have an existing wallet, meaning that you already have a seed phrase, you can actually mirror your other wallet and add it into here. So you would actually take your seed phrase and you'd put it in this existing wallet right here. So that's the best thing you do. And if you have a cold storage, you can actually connect your hardware wallet to this and use SafePal as an interface for your cold storage if you use the SafePal cold storage. So they actually make it really, really simple here. But this is what you want. You want to go create a new wallet right here. So click on create new wallet. You're going to have to, obviously, there'll be a password that you have to put in. So put your password in. Okay. Say create now, and now it's creating a wallet right there. See how it's creating a new wallet? So it just created a new wallet for me. One thing you want to do when you create a new wallet is you want to make sure that you're going to have to put in your seed phrase. So you're going to get a seed phrase. I'm not going to show you the seed phrase to it, but you'll go in, and in the wallet, there's these little, these are all the wallets I have right here, which I don't really care if you see. These are all the wallets I have right here. So I have a ton of different wallets inside this wallet. Okay. And so you go over to these little, you can go anywhere and you can look anything, right? There's these little 3 dots right here. You can see right there. There's 3 dots right there. 3 dots. You click those dots right there, and it takes you in, and it will tell you your mnemonic phrase. See that right there? It'll tell you your mnemonic phrase and all your backup stuff right here. And that's where you want to have your export key. You want to have your public key. You want to basically have everything right there so that you can actually create a wallet, and you can, if you lose it, you can come back in and actually type that back in and use it. So let's see here. I've never seen this before. It looks cool. Yeah, definitely download it. It's super cool, dude. Nope, don't see it. What don't you see, miscellaneous anonymous? Let's see here. I hate that phrase. 12 random words, never lose them. Yeah, definitely don't lose the words. As soon as you get them, write them all down, or you locked out. Difference between hot and cold storage wallets. So the difference between a hot wallet is a software wallet, which means it's always connected to the internet, right? It's on your phone. It's a hot wallet. There's something always connected to it. Where a cold storage wallet, basically, as soon as you plug in Ledger like this right here, this is just acting as a key. This is just a safeguard of your key right here. This is where your seed phrases is right here. And basically what you're doing is this is just an interface for the blockchain. And so when you unplug this, then your seed phrase to your wallet is secured because it's not online. There's nothing connected to this, right? So you can't hack this because it's not plugged in. There's no power to it. Nothing's reading it, right? Or with your wallet, if you're connected on here and you're connected inside that wallet, this right here it's connected all the time. So if you go and you scan like a nefarious, you go scan a QR code or you click on a link, they could sometimes hack your wallets. And so that's the big difference here between software, but they are non-custodial, meaning that it's not attached to us. It's decentralized. So you're moving your money off of an exchange onto like basically the blockchain. So you're moving it off a centralized exchange onto the blockchain, which is decentralized. So it's very, very, so if you're new to crypto and you haven't done a hot wallet, I like I said, I implore you to download the SafePal. So SafePal is a great wallet. And I think it's going to be really easy for you to use. So download the wallet and you'll have, so again, if anyone's downloaded the wallet, definitely do it. You can use MetaMask too, but MetaMask is a little bit more complicated. And here, I'll log into my MetaMask account here and I'll show you why it's a little bit more complicated. If I remember my password. Again, make sure you write down your seed phrase. It's the most important thing. So up here, the reason why this is a little bit harder is because you have to actually go over here and make sure that you're on the correct blockchain, right? So again, if you're trading on the Ethereum blockchain, oh no, I'm not sharing my screen. If you're trading on the Ethereum blockchain, so you go over here, this is the extension on the computer, you go up to MetaMask, you come into here, you get your seed phrase and everything over here. Once you get in here, you have to change the blockchain of what you're on to be able to see your token. See, there's Ethereum for base. There's Ethereum right here for, what is that one? The Lena, I don't even know what that is. Something mainnet. And then you got Ethereum. So it's important that here you have to actually go to the smart chain of what you're trading on to then access the token. So if you're on the Ethereum mainnet and you send a token over that's BNB, you won't be able to see it on this page until you go over here and go to Binance Smart Chain. Then once you see that, and then you'll be able to see your token over here. So yeah, it's quite different. So I have a long-term bag in Tangem. If I need to move my XRP swing trade bag over before putting in my main bag on, I can use SafePal. Yeah, SafePal is free to use. Just pay you'll just pay the gas fees. Cool. Zeagle, you'll just pay the gas fees for it. So yeah, you can leave it on there. It's secure as long as you're not scanning QR codes, as long as you're not clicking on like crazy links. I mean, I've stored, hundreds of thousands of dollars on non-custodial wallets. I haven't, before, way before I even got Ledger. And as long as you're not doing crazy stuff with your phone, you should be fine. As long as you have the seed phrase and everything like that, and you can create multiple wallets. Like, that's the best part about it, is you can spread your money out. You don't have to keep it all on anything, and it's just as secure on here as it is on here, as long as you don't click on nefarious stuff. I'm so scared of Ledger breaking or something. Is that dumb? No. If your Ledger breaks, you just buy a new Ledger, Andrew, and you just keep your seed phrase. The seed phrase that you originally wrote down for your Ledger, that's your seed phrase forever. So if this gets burned up in a fire or you lose it, just go buy another Ledger, and then it'll say, when you plug this in, it'll say, create new wallet or upload wallet. Just like right now, just like this right here, when I go to create a new account right here, add an account, add a new Ethereum account, you can import an account right here. So I can say import account. I can put a private key. So I'll give you an example. So let's actually play this out here. So I'm going to create a new private key, and I'm going to mirror it from my Coinbase wallet. So I go over to my Coinbase wallet here. Okay. So you can see right here, I got the A-Team marketing wallet right here, which again is public for everyone to see. Okay. This is the A-Team marketing. There's $333 and there's $335 in here. Okay. So if I want to mirror this and put it over here on my MetaMask, so I can mirror these two wallets, because this is already established, what I'll do is I'll go up here. I'll go into the top up here. And there's these three little dots. You see the three dots right there? That's where I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to recover right here where it says export private key. See where it says export private key right there? I'm going to click that. And then that private key, I'm going to paste right into here. I'm going to copy and paste it into this right here. And then we're going to actually connect it. So I'm going to do that right now, and you guys will see when I connect it. So I'm not going to share my private key with you guys, obviously. We're going to do it with Ethereum. Okay. I'm going to copy my private key. Okay. I'm going to send it over here real quick. Let's go 5. Okay, there we go. I got the key. Let's see. All right. So now I'm going to send over my private key. And again, if you send this on your phone, I recommend that you delete it, because you don't want this to be on your phone. You don't want it to be in a photo. You don't want it to be anywhere. So if something you want to write down. Okay. So now I'm going to put it over here in my thing. So now you guys can see right here. I'll go back to the screen now. You can't see it, but see, I copied my private key. So the one that was on here in SafePal. So here we are. We're in SafePal right now. Right. I showed you guys the SafePal. So let me go back here. So as you guys know, I went over here. I copied it, my private key into SafePal, and it says 335 Ethereum. So once I say import here, I'm going to say import, and then boom, voila. You can see that now that wallet now matches over here on MetaMask. So not only do I have the same wallet over here on SafePal, it's now over here on MetaMask. So again, you could do this to any wallet out there. You can transfer these things across the board. You can mirror them in other wallets. It's super easy to do. So now I got the account attached here. It's account number 4. It's got my account address right here. It's on the Ethereum side. And there you go. Any thoughts on Polygon? It hasn't changed. Yeah, Polygon hasn't really done a whole lot. Your private key is not SafePal. Your private key is not SafePal, like SafePal. Is that a pun? Is that a joke? Is that? Yeah, it's super easy to use. So again, if you haven't used this stuff before, it's really easy to use. I do highly advise everyone to download a MetaMask or download SafePal. SafePal is the easiest one for me because you can't get mixed up. Catherine, oh, thanks so much for the $10 donation. Thank you so much. Yeah. And so then what you want to do, right? So one of the big things here, and thank you again, Catherine, for the $10. So one thing you really want to do here, and you want to make sure, yeah, I figured it was a joke, dude. It was a good one. So one thing you want to make sure that you do on this stuff, right, is that you want to make sure that you actually are sending it to the right address, right? So this one says Ethereum ERC20. So anything that's Ethereum based is ERC20, okay? Anything that's BNB is called BEP20. BEP20 is BNB. And then you have Bitcoin down here, which is actually true Bitcoin. So you want to make sure when you send these tokens that you're sending it to the right address, okay? If you send Ethereum to Bitcoin, you're going to lose your money. If you send Ethereum to BNB, you're going to lose your money. Again, because those networks don't cross. You're not sending it to the right address, okay? So you got to make sure that you're really doing that, okay? So, so yeah, that's the easiest way to do it, honestly. So you want to make sure that you're sending to the right place. So like if I send a Ethereum here, what I'll do is I'll just say that I send this Ethereum to, we can send it to another wallet, or I can send it here if you want to, if you want me to send it, but it's super easy to do. You just want to make sure that you send it to Ethereum, or if you're sending it from an exchange, right? So if we go over to like Coinbase, let's go to Coinbase right now. Okay. And say I had money in Coinbase here. We're going to go to Coinbase. Okay. And I'm going to go over here to Ethereum. So here's Ethereum, right? And I want to send crypto. So I'm going to say send crypto. It's asking me to verify my account, which is kind of stupid that it's asking me to do that. But you'll say send crypto. And what's going to happen, and let me share my screen. I didn't know I always had this. So inside your, inside the, tell the truth, I'm probably just going to, let me verify my account real quick. I'll just do this real quick on the thing because it's really annoying me that I can't do this. So just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys. Complete failure tonight. My wallet's in the truck. So I'll do it tomorrow. We'll get this thing squared away and we'll do it tomorrow for sure, okay? I promise you that, all right? So I copy and paste the destination address plus triple check it. Yes, Paradise Gardens. That's exactly what you do. Cheyenne, I don't know how to say the name. Chen, I can't say your name. Chan, thank you so much for becoming a member of the A team. I probably butchered the heck out of that. Thank you so much. Appreciate you coming here. You're now officially part of the A team. So yeah, you want to make sure you double check it. You send to the right address, okay? The good thing with SafePal though is that if you send, if you go over to SafePal, so let's just say you go to SafePal here. The good thing about SafePal is that you don't have to switch the nets because you can see it's all on one here. You got Ethereum, BNB, they all show up on the same screen there. So you don't with when you go up here to this one, you have to actually change which network you're on, right? You have to change from the Ethereum mainnet to the base mainnet. You got to change your mainnet every time you want to transfer or use the mainnet. With the SafePal wallet, you don't got to do that. SafePal is all built into one right here. So it makes it really, really easy. I'm on my way to Austin's truck. So that's the easiest way to do it. So you download that. And then you just make sure. So if you go to the exchange, you just go to the Ethereum on the exchange. So you're going to send over Ethereum. You'll just say send crypto. And then you'll copy and you'll paste this number in there into your thing. So like, let's just say that I want to send. I'll go to my other one here. Let's just say I want to send. So here's my one of my exchanges, right? So here's my phone on my exchange, right? I got $3,361 on Ethereum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right over here to transfer. I'm going to hit transfer, And it's going to say send crypto or receive crypto. I want to send crypto. Okay. So I'm going to hit send. Boom. So you can see that right there. It has all my addresses in there. So up here, I'm gonna copy my address. So I'm gonna come up here. See this little, if you go over here now, you can come up here. There's a little copy address symbol right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's a little copy address. So I'm gonna copy that address like this, copy to the thing, and then I'm gonna send it to myself. Okay. And I'm gonna send it to myself, and I'm gonna paste it in there. So here, I got it right here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to go back to my screen here. You can see up here, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to paste it now, okay? Oops. You can see up here, I'm going to paste it. So boom. Paste, now it's up there, okay? So you see it's up there, and then it pops in right here, and you want to verify it. So it's asking you to verify it by clicking this. So you're going to click this. It's now verified it, okay? And now it tells you what you want to send it by. I'm going to send it to Ethereum because I don't want to send it by any of these other ones because I don't want to send it to I don't want to send it to Base or anything else. Okay, so I'm going to click Ethereum here, and I'm going to pay a 35-cent charge for that. I'm going to send. Let's just send that I want to send. I'll just send $150 to my wallet. Okay, so now I sent $150, which is roughly 0.00. What is it? 0.044. So now I'm just going to say preview. I'm going to hit the little preview button right here. Boom, preview. Now you want to verify that you're sending it to the right address, okay? So now I'm going to go back and look, and I'm going to read that it's the right address. 0x85C88, and then the last 4 digits is D321C. So that's the correct address. So I'm like, okay, cool. Now I'm going to press send now. You can see it's for $1.35. So I have to spend an extra 35 cents to send this. So I'm going to say send now. And now I got to put in my verify. I got to verify with my face because I got a verifier in here now. Definitely use a third-party verifier or some way to use a two-way authenticator. And so there you go. Now it was sent right there. Boom. And now we're going to watch over here, and eventually it's going to show up over here in my wallet. So we're going to see this here show up eventually. I don't know when, but it will. Hopefully here soon. And it usually takes a little bit because one thing I do like about the exchange is it does say it's pending. You can see right here. You can see right here, it does say pending right there. So it'll be pending. And then once that says confirmed, it will show up over here. So that's one thing I do like about it is it does say pending. So you're going to have to wait. So it's still pending, still pending. And here we go. Gotcha. Austin, let's try 50 bucks. Yeah, damn it, Austin. How do you know if it's a cold? It's in your cold wallet. Well, you'll have so these are hot wallets, which is different from this. Okay. But in your hot wallet, in your interface, you'll have the first ledger, or not the first ledger. You'll have what is it called? You'll have Ledger Live. And so Ledger Live then will pop up and it will tell you what's in your Ledger Live. It's the interface for your wallet. Thank you kindly. Yeah, definitely. This is why Ethereum's so slow. It's still pending. That's why Ethereum network sucks, right? It's still pending. We're waiting for it to transfer over here. And eventually we'll see this number change. We should have roughly $485 when it's all said and done. What's up, Some Cheeses? I owe Austin 50 for last night's cuddle. What's up, buddy? It's good to see you, man. He plays with E. Where do I find out what to buy, please? Yeah, you're gonna have so you can go on to Coinbase. So go to Coinbase or something like that. Go to an exchange, and that's where you'll typically be able to find. So like go to Coinbase here, and you just go download Coinbase, sign up for it, all this stuff, and then you'll be able to enter in here, and you can go in here and you can find anything that you want. Right, my assets. You can go and you can search whatever one you want to buy. Let's just say you want to buy XRP. You're like, okay, I want to buy XRP. You come over here and you're like, I'm going to pay with cash, buy XRP. So yeah, that's the best way to do it is to get onto an exchange and buy, or you can buy it on the decentralized side. I can install on my laptop. Yeah, you can do a laptop too. Yeah, you can do the laptop up here. Again, these are the extensions up here. You can also do it with Coinbase wallet and everything else. Show off the awesomeness of XRP. ETH is slow. Yeah, Silky. It's definitely slow, bro. Still pending. That's the crazy part. Still pending, dude. Oh, looks like it just sent. Okay, so now look, $485. So you can see now my wallet is now $485. So it got sent over there. So that's the easiest way to get it off an exchange and into your wallet. So now it's sitting on a decentralized wallet over here. And again, now the cool part is that it's not only on MetaMask, but as you guys remember, I also mirrored it to my SafePal wallet. So I can go over into my SafePal wallet now too and see that that money has now been transferred over here as well. So now you can see that my SafePal wallet and MetaMask wallet are mirrored, and the price is now $485.97. The only reason it's 97 is because this there's probably a 485.97 versus 480. I don't know why the difference is there. That's kind of funky. Difference. That's a difference. That's kind of weird. 0.14. Oh, this one's showing a 145, so it's a little bit different in the interface. Fan, you're also into crypto. Yeah, she is. I missed some of this because I was a boomer typing mnemonic phrase. Will this video be saved? Yeah, it's still on the live, dude. Baracho. You just have to scroll to the live that I started with earlier today. Just go to the very end of it, and you'll be able to watch it all. What's the main reason not to buy inside the Ledger Live? Just because, again, I think when I buy on Coinbase, you pay with spot trading fees, and each time you buy, you accumulate those spot trading fees, and you get discounts, and so you're going to continue to trade there because you get the discounts. Versus on Ledger Live, there's you don't get a discount or anything like that. You still pay fees, so that's kind of why I do it. I freaked out. So when I transfer to a cold storage, it will show in both the exchange and the cold. No, it'll just show in the cold storage. Same with same Evermore. Same with this hot wallet. As soon as you move from an exchange, it all leaves an exchange and it goes into a wallet, which is called self custody. This is like your self custody, meaning that you're no longer relying on the centralized exchange to manage your money. This is now your money. Just like when you go to a bank, right? The bank holds onto your cash. You go there and you say, hey, can I please have $100? And they go, oh yeah, here you go. Here's $100. The same with the exchanges, right? You have to go ask them for the money. And then then you can send that money over to a wallet, and now you hold it yourself versus the bank holding it. That's the difference here. So it's important to get it off exchanges and into either a cold storage or a hot wallet. Cold storage is more secure than a hot wallet, but a hot wallet, you have access on your phone and you can make a lot of things on your phone. So if you're doing trades and stuff like that on a daily, you can still use it on your phone. Mike, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team, dude. You're officially now a member of the channel. When the app you developed being released, one with the cold wallet implemented? Good question, John. I don't know when Pure Wallet's going to be released. I actually just got an update today saying that there was an update to it. That's a good question, man. Let's see. Where did it say? Yeah, test flight is now available to test. So it looks like they updated something on the Pure Wallet. So again, very similar to what we just did here. Here's what it looks like. As you guys can see, I'm obviously still in the testing process of it. So it looks like this. If you go here to Pure Wallet, I have it on my phone right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's an app right here. It's another wallet. So I just click on Pure Wallet. It opens up the Pure Wallet. And no different. You're going to do the same thing here. You're going to create a wallet or enter it. So here I'm going to actually enter because I already have a wallet here. So I'm going to enter my password for it. Oops. It says wrong password. You get all freaked out. Oh, that's not it. So now it's showing authenticating. You see right here, it's going through. It's doing the authenticating of the account. It's going to pop up. It's kind of looking like that right now. And again, same thing. It's another cold storage hot wallet. Same thing that we dealt with before. You got all your stuff down here and everything that you need down here from all the cold storage. So you have an offline. There's 3 wallets built into this one right here. It's harder to see, but there's 3 wallets built in. There's a hot wallet, an offline wallet, and a cold wallet. So that's kind of the difference here. So if I wanted to, so you have 3 different wallets built into here, and it's pretty cool. So right down here, you can see right down here, there's a little tab right here, this little money symbol. You click on that money symbol right there, and you can buy their cold storage. So this is a cold storage built on your phone. So you'll no longer need a ledger like this because it's on your phone. It's a cold storage built into your phone. It's the first of its kind out there that's been used. So you can buy it for $39.95. This hasn't been released. This is all just it's still in the early phases of it. And so you click that, you buy it, and you can actually store tokens on your phone. You can store Bitcoin, XRP, all that stuff in your cold storage on the phone, and then you can transfer them through your phone, basically between a hot and cold storage on your phone. Yeah, it's pretty badass. So no one else has that tech. It's been patented for a while. That's the one. This is the wallet I've been working on with the team. But I haven't really worked with them since the fallout with them. But definitely talked with them since, and excited for it if it actually comes out and comes to fruition. I'm guessing we don't have to tell anyone here to subscribe to the channel. Austin SafePal is asking for a Binance account to be set up. It is a Binance wallet, so you can set up you don't have to do it. You don't have to set up a Binance account for it, but Binance does own SafePal. Yeah, smash that like button. We are zooming in into the reflections in your eyes to your passwords. Skidmark, dude. Member for 2 months. Whoever lifted me. Oh, gifted you. Yeah, no problem, Skidmark. Yeah, whoever did, awesome. Looking forward to when you hit 100K subscribers. 100K play button will be dope. Oh, yeah, that'd be awesome, man. I appreciate that. So I grabbed one of these cool wallets like Austin was talking about and put my XRP on it and then trade with the money left in the account. Yeah, that's probably a good way to do it. It's called Pure Wallet. Yeah, Lebo. That's kind of Pure Wallet. It's not released yet. I'm using it right now in test flight. So it's in test flight for iOS. You can see right there. It's in test flight. So yeah, kind of cool, dude. I'm just they're working on it. We're ready to release it. It's been sitting there for a while. So if Binance isn't available in Ohio, is SafePal no go? No, it's a non-custodial wallet, dude. So it's just SafePal owns it. They don't there's no restriction for it. It's a non-custodial wallet. So yeah, there's nothing that they can do about it. L snapped in. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. Think 2K is better than Pepe and HBAR? Maybe. How are the markets looking while we're on? Oh, Bitcoin's back above 101. All right. XRP at 329. HBAR sitting at 3893 still. Okay. You have any memes you're looking at? No. Have you seen? No, I haven't seen the Ella Paul wallet. I have one. I like it. Okay. Yeah, I haven't seen it. I miss Binance in Canada. I miss Binance here, bro. What's going on? Dana, good to see you, man. So yeah, that's kind of the setup of the wallets. You know what I mean? Kind of a crash course with it, but definitely download those wallets. They're the best thing other than an exchange. You know what I mean? You can move it over there. You can play with them. You can do all that kind of stuff. It's super important to have those wallets, especially if you're going to trade on the decentralized exchange. So one of the things is that if you're going to buy crypto or you're going to do staking or anything like that, if you choose to do stuff like that, you go into the SafePal wallet here, and down at the bottom here, you can see down at the bottom, you got wallet, you got markets, you got explore, swap. So you could do all this swap inside the wallet, just like you could on Ledger Live. But if you want to go to dApps right here, this has all the dApps of all the exchanges out there. You got Jupiter, you got Uniswap, you got PancakeSwap. So if you're going to buy a token on a decentralized exchange, you would then, like, say you want to go to Uniswap, you're going to click the Uniswap tab right here. Boom. It takes you to the Uniswap website, and your wallet's already connected. So you'll go up here, you'll connect your wallet, and then you'll be able to buy right here where it says connect. You connect your wallet, which is already connected, and then you can actually buy tokens on a decentralized exchange. So it's really super easy to do. Yeah, it's not out yet. It's still a work in progress, dude. It's a new, like I said, it's been in the works for like 2 years. I went over to Korea and helped build it. Helped be a part of the build. I didn't build it all. I mean, I helped be a part of the build and the design and everything like that. So it's patented technology. It just needs to get out there. Like I said, we've been waiting for it for a long time. And I couldn't be happier if it comes out, right? I mean, you get to see the product that you worked on for so long come out. So that's positive. You thought you were watching a video and I'm actually live. What's up, Michael? Yeah, go to A team. That's pretty cool. So much easier than Meta. Yeah, MetaMask is kind of difficult for sure, especially if you're new. It's kind of overwhelming. I use Coinbase to short stuff. SafePal Hot Wallet so underrated. Yeah, SafePal Hot Wallet's pretty legit, bro. So Pure Wallet's kind of trying to, again, since SafePal's so easy to use, like, and I've helped design it. SafePal helped me just open my eyes to like how Pure Wallet should be. So the interface, I'm trying to not be the exact same, but similar to, because it's actually really easy for a lot of new users. If I were to take 2K for each of my boys out of savings I've been building for them and throw it into crypto, would you go all in on XRP now or spread percentages across? I'd probably diversify it for sure. You know what I mean? I think diversification is good, especially top cryptos. Can you do a tutorial on buying on the DeFi exchanges one day? Yeah, we can do that. And I'll like I said, I'll set up a little better. I have to get some setups, but we could do it right now. I mean, technically, you guys saw my wall right here. So all you got to do is just go to Uniswap. So we'll just go to uniswap.org. Here, I can do it right now for you real quick. And so you just go to uniswap.org, uniswap.org. You want to make sure it's .org. You want to make sure it's the right Uniswap. So again, if you want to double check that, you can say, okay, well, maybe is that right? Just go back to Uniswap. Just type in Uniswap and go to Google here. And it's usually the top one right here, app.uniswap.org. So you want to make sure you go to the right Uniswap. All right. Let me get my head out of the way here. And then you'll say, okay, well, I'm going to go to Uniswap. And then right up here, you can see my wallet has connected. So I want to make sure it's the right wallet. So you can see it's the wallet that's connected over here. So you can actually go over here and see that it is connected. Okay. So that's positive. So what I'm going to do, is that the right? Let's see here. This is on BNB. I need to go to the Ethereum mainnet here. So let's go to Ethereum mainnet. Disconnect. And then we're going to connect the wallet again. You're going to go to MetaMask right here. Connect MetaMask. It's going to come over here and ask me to connect it. Say connect. And now you can see it's connected. And there's $486 in here. So you can see my thing's connected. It comes and reflects over here. So let's just say I want to go buy Pepe, right? So I come over here and I'm like, okay, I want to buy Pepe on the open exchange. So you can see right here that this is Pepe. So you'll click Pepe and you want to verify that that's actually the right Pepe. So what you're going to do is you'll go up here and you'll go to what's called DEX Tools, DEXTOLLS.io. And this will take you to the decentralized exchange here. Okay. And so you can see I already have Pepe as a favorite over here. So I'm going to click Pepe. And I'm going to say, okay, well, I want to make sure this is the right Pepe. So there's something called Etherscan right here. You can see, I'll zoom in a little bit. It's called View Contract. This is called Etherscan. So this is actually the blockchain. So I'm going to click on Etherscan and click that. And it's going to open up Etherscan for me. And right here, you can actually see if you have the right contract. So here's the contract address right here. So it's ending in 993. So what I'll do is I'll actually copy this. I'm just going to copy this address right here. And I'm going to go back here. And I'm going to go into this where it says search tokens. And I'm going to actually copy that in there. And now I have the right address. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to actually buy ETH for Pepe. So let's just buy $50. So I'm going to go $50. But you need to actually flip this. So I'm going to go down here and buy. So now you have to flip these down here. So you put money in here. So these two right here, you have to flip it because that's ETH. So you're going to say buy ETH. You want to flip that back to cash. So you're going to say $50. It's going to say finalizing quote here. You're going to pay $2.20 right now, which is going to be the cost of wrapped ETH and all this stuff. So it's going to be roughly $2.20 is what the price is going to be. You say review. It's going to pop up here, and then you say approve swap, and you can see that the fee is going to cost about 2.25 cents. Then the network cost, which is including gas and everything else, is going to cost about $1.12. So total, it's going to come out to about $2.20. So then I would say approve and swap, and it's actually going to approve and swap it. And then next thing you know, it's going to show up in my wallet over here under MetaMask as Pepe under here. That's how you do that. I thought you were an Aussie when I first clicked on your video. Oh, really? Austin, can you show where to manage coins so we don't get weird airdrop coins? Oh yeah, so on so the good part on like the reason why on here on MetaMask, I think you can actually click here. Let's go here real quick. Let me get rid of this. Let's go back here. So you can actually import. So the good part about the one part about MetaMask here is you got to import your tokens. So you got to go up here, and each of these you got to actually go in and import the token. So if I put Pepe onto MetaMask here, it's not going to just show up in my MetaMask account. Although it's on the blockchain under my account, I got to go and actually import the token. So what I'll do is I'll hit import token, and then I got to put the contract address in here, and then it shows up. And I hit next. I say import, and now Pepe is in my wallet right here. So the good part about, I don't want to back this up, dude. Get this shit off. Oh my gosh, I don't want to back it up, man. Just leave me alone. Oh, you pooper. So you can see right here, I put Pepe in there. So the good part about MetaMask is that you have to actually import your tokens. It won't just show up. Some of these wallets will just show up. You know, and the good part is like on, let's just go back to SafePal. SafePal is pretty easy because what you can do here is you go to wallet right here. Let's see here. You go to the wallet right here, okay? And at the bottom, it says manage coins. So you click manage coins. Oops. You hit that manage coins, and then you can actually select any of the tokens you want to see or don't want to see. So if like you're like, oh, I want to see ADA, you can click it. You can click over here and you'll hit it. You know what I mean? So any token you want to see or not want to see, you decide. So let's just say I don't want to see this FFP token right here. So I'm going to hit that off, and it goes away, right? I don't want to see ETH Arbitrum right here, so I'm going to click that off. Boom, it goes away. I don't want to see Tron. Boom, it goes away. I don't want to see Polygon. It goes away. TON token, I don't want to see. It's going to go away. So now when I go back to my original screen here, oops, you can see now I only show the coins of which I have invested in or I want to see on my main screen. I'm just wondering, do you think XRP is $50 this year? On my phone, I have no airdrops allowed. I turned it off. Yeah, that's probably a good thing. That's one thing that's cool about the Pure Wallet too. I like about the Pure Wallet is, like I said, one thing that they built in here is they basically allowed it to where you can make it to where you don't have any connection. You can actually turn off your connection to the wallet, which I actually kind of like. So you can actually make it. It doesn't make it a cold storage, but it makes it to where there's no internet connection to it. So right up here at the top, see where it says encrypted right here on the Pure Wallet. It's sort of hard to see. Right here where it says encrypted transaction, there's a little lock button. You see that right there? So what you can do is you can tap that, boom. And now your cryptocurrency is currently in a cold storage. Change the state to tap on the toggle. So this actually shuts off access to your phone. So now your wallet actually has no access whatsoever. So to access everything, you have to then basically click that back off to be open back up to the internet. So it's pretty cool how they have that built in. Your invite link to Discord is expired. Please share the new link. Oh, is it really? Is it really? Oh, shoot. Okay. Did not know that. I'll share the new link. Let's go up here. Invite people. Let's do a copy. Put the new link in there. Okay. There, Seiko Hunt just put it in the chat. Thanks for letting me. There you go. Walter, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, man. Yeah, sometimes on your phone it doesn't really work. You got to go to a computer. Just Dex Tools. Yeah, dextools.io, dude. Here, I'll put the email, or I'll put the link in the description as well for Dex Tools, okay? Copy, and let's see, I'll put it in here. Hopefully it's the right link. Let me go paste. Dude, what is going on here? Let me know if that link works. Let me know if that link works. That's funny. All right. That's good to know. Hey, Austin, can you explain what coins you feel are worth stacking for long term? all top cryptos, dude. I'm like Bitcoin, ETH, you know, BNB. I like all those top cryptos. Solana's decent, you know, XRP, XLM, HBAR, Chainlink, you know, the top 20 cryptos, like I'm totally full in on, dude. You know what I mean? And then I dink around like I like the decentralized stuff like Uniswap, Sushi Swap, that kind of stuff. You know, I'm really into the DEX side of things. I think decentralization is huge. So I feel like I missed something. Why are you looking at DEX tools? Oh yeah, sorry. So yeah, go to DEX tools, and then you can come up over here. There's a little tab over here. So click on DEX tools here, and then you'll come over to the tab over here, and you can see all chains right here. There's a little thing. Click on. I don't know why it's not. Why is this not letting me click? Okay. There we go. Go to the all chains over here, and then you can click on Ethereum. And then it takes you to the Ethereum chain. Here's all the tokens that are on Ethereum. Okay. If you want to, you can go over here and you can actually see your Pairs Explorer. This is called Pairs Explorer over here, which is this little tab up here. And it takes you over to all the different things. So you can actually then type in any video you want. Why is this? What is going on here? Gosh, dang. DEX Tools is tripping right now. So you go over here, you click and you search. You can search anything you want. Pepe, whatever you want to search for right there. So that's how you'd buy things on the decentralized side. Yeah, something's messed up with TikTok with DEX right now. Fall asleep at 6 p.m. Wake up at 4 a.m. You're not tired anymore. ETA on when civvies can have access to Pure Wallet. You know, I don't really know yet. They've been working on it for a long time, so you know, I'm hoping that it's going to come when it comes out. I hope it's like ready for everyone. That's kind of the goal. I mean, right now, I think you can store. They're going to continually add things to the cold storage on it. I know right now. I can almost confirm 100% that I think you can skip. I know for sure you can it's Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP. There's like 12 cryptos that you can store in the cold storage, and they're going to continue to add. I think right now they're working on like XLM, HBAR, a lot of these other ones that you can add, and they take each of them take about a couple weeks to get on because those coins are hard to. I think they're working on Solana and stuff like that, so they're slowly adding to it. But yeah, that's kind of the goal. Is hopefully it comes out sooner rather than later. Hey, sorry, can you please share your thoughts on Polygon? I used to be a big Polygon guy, and I just kind of fell off the wagon with them, dude. You don't have any because you've been building your yeah. You've been building your XRP. Gotcha, bro. Did you hit your Packers parlay? Oh. Dude, what is going on right now? Let me get out of this. Just a sec. Something's acting funny with the. I don't know if it's my mouse or what, but like. Yeah, something's not working. I gotta reconnect something here. Let's see. Huh. Yeah, something's up. I don't know why my stuff's not working. Something's not clicking right. Maybe that's a sign that I need to get off. Any advice on how to transfer HBAR from Coinbase to Ledger Flex? I think that Code Core was saying that you have to have a Ledger Nano, and then you would actually transfer your seed phrase over to the Flex, which then would reflect your HBAR. But you can't actually set it up on the Flex, I think is what Code Core was saying. If you are in your 30s or younger and you are not in crypto, you are leaving so much money. That's true, right? I think a lot of people probably said that about us when we were, waiting to get into some of these stocks. Do you think XRP meme coins will do well after Phoenix and stuff is down for the week? Yeah, they could. You know what I mean? They actually provide a lot of money to the blockchain. Dang, I missed a live too much hanging on Discord. You're good, bro. What's up, Tall Paul? Got gifted another membership, second month in a row. Awesome, monkeying around. Best community I found on YouTube to date. I'm not sure who gifted, but thank you. That's badass, dude. it was definitely, we had a lot of gifted donations today. So yeah, I appreciate everyone that was doing that. But A team's best team. Appreciate you, John. But yeah, Dan, I think I'm gonna hop off here. I don't know what's going on. I gotta check my computer. The mouse isn't working, so it's kind of annoying me right now. But yeah, with all that, I hope you guys. What percentage chance we have a super cycle? It's more likely than not. I'll say that, and that's based off of Dr. Degen and a bunch of his coworkers that cohorts or whatever that say this. So yeah. I appreciate everyone coming on tonight. I appreciate all the donations, all the love, all the support. Hopefully I helped you figure out how to use a decentralized wallet. It's a little clunky going through it with you guys, but we're working through it here. I'm definitely going to get my Coinbase account on the computer here up and running so that we can Jay Grizz, hey, easy. But yeah, we're going to get it on here tomorrow so we can do some swing trade and stuff like that. So we can at least mess around with that. But yeah, with all that, throw some dudes up in the chat. And with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic night. We'll definitely see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be on at 6 a.m. again. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. It was fun this morning, so we'll see where it goes. But with all that, have a fantastic night. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. We're out. Peace out, everyone.